Coding Cat, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? What are you... Okay, this is a great start. Okay, what? What is that? Why is that? Okay, it's there. Hello, everyone. Hello. How we doing today? And welcome to the stream. How you guys doing today? Lock in, Kasai. I am locked in. I am very much locked in. How we doing? Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hello. Good to see you all again. It has been a while. Coding Cat, what are you doing? As soon as you grab a command block, everything just goes south. Hello. Welcome. Lucky Block. John Ding, how you doing? Jahan, Dubs Yoda? What's up, Dubs Yoda? Your second Yoda? What's up? Seb Minecrafter, Dark, Anno Murder, Hitman. Thank you guys for tuning in. Ray Pixel, how you doing today? Backhead is here. Quacky Craft is here. Pexy is here. My man Pexy, how you doing, Pexy? Mr. Merm is here too. Dead Cat Mango, hello. Dippy Coder. Gangster Togo, thank you for tuning in. What is that? What? Argentina for 98 jewels. What? New YouTube feature? Hello? What is that?
Unknown Murder 01 donated 99 Australian cents through Super Chat.
Thank you for that. Appreciate it a lot. Unknown Murder, also Hitman. What did you just do? What did you send? Jewels. Have I received jewels? 98 jewels. Gang, I just received 98 jewels. I don't know what that means. But yay? What is jewels? Hello? Someone? That's a new thing. Also, it seems like I do not have a built-in notification for that. So Streamlabs just falls back on the default notification, which is just this giant text in the middle of my screen. How great! Okay, Hitman, thank you for the sent GGs for 20 jewels. What? What's happening? What's the diamond thing? Yeah, I don't know. I have no clue. Also, Argentina. What? What does it even mean? Is it like a sticker? Is this similar? Wait, is this the new sticker donation feature thingy? Which is also available on like TikTok and stuff? Is this a new TikTok feature? Send Sparkle for 2 jewels? Oh, it is what it is, I think. Oh. But I don't have a notification for it, so it just shows in the center of my screen. You know what? That's fine. We'll just live with the big notifications. Gold coin. Thank you for the gold coin, whatever that may mean. I don't know what it means. Thank you. It's like a TikTok feature, yeah. Oh, it's YouTube just extracting the TikTok feature. Oh, look at them. Look at them go. Silver star ×2. How great is that? Because I'm my stream streak. Ooh, 35. Phantom Bridger. That is crazy stuff. Thank you so... Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Phantom Bridger, for being here 35 streams in a row. That is crazy. Reminds me of all those Chinese social media. I mean, TikTok is that too. Yeah, and this is a pair of 6-7 jewels. Okay, great. This is nice. How much is a jewel even worth? How much do... what is a jewel? How much is that worth? How much do I, like... What? What does that mean? I don't even know. Do I need to, like, redeem them? How does it... Look at all those new things. He sent 6-7. Hitman, how dare you? You sent a 6-7. Oh, it even appears in the live chat. I only just noticed. 50 jewel is $1 for me. Oh, okay. Interesting. Is this similar to bits on Twitch? Look at all the thingies. Is this similar to bits on Twitch? Where, you know, you like every single jewel is worth like 1 cent? Okay. We are getting bunch of donations now. Thank you guys so much for all the donations. I appreciate it. I don't know what's going on. Seems to only work on phone for me. Okay, wait. Let me check on my phone right now. Just to see what it looks like. Just to see what this is about. Because this is a new thing I did not know existed. I think I read something about it on the YouTube dashboard, but... Let's see. Oh yeah, you have like a whole gift. A gift thing. Oh, you need to purchase jewels. You need to purchase jewels for money. So for 89 cents, I can get 50 jewels. And then I can send like stickers, like thingies. Oh, that is interesting. Seaside. Okay, wait. Racing game. How expensive is that? That is 20,000 jewels. How expensive is it in IRL money? That's insane. That is insane stuff. Okay, I don't know what's happening at this point. Thank you guys so much for all of the 6-7s and other donations. I appreciate it. Today we're gonna test out Minecraft plugins. I'm gonna see if I can move the whole jewel thing a bit higher up. That would be kind of great if I would be able to pull that off. Today we're testing out Minecraft plugins. It's gonna be incredibly fun. I will let you guys submit Minecraft plugins in a little bit. Oh, jewel gifts. Oh, it's so much is happening. So much is happening. Okay, jewel gift. I found it. Image above text. What? Jewel gift. Sports car gift. What? Use gift image. Oh, wait. Wait. Let me try this. Okay, I did a thing, guys. I did a thing. Let's see if it changes. No! What is that? It's so big. No! What is it? Sweaty chili? No! Ah! My eyes! They burn! No! Oh no! Okay, we need to... No! Okay, nice football, I guess. Why is it so big? Why does it cover my entire screen? It's so... And my head is... No! It's an ooh star or something like that. Okay, how do we... Positioning mode. Manual. Thank you. It's so big. Why? Offset? This doesn't change anything. Does it change anything? Okay, the 6-7. Yay. What is... Oh, I don't know what's happening. Okay, wait. Let me try. Okay. Very ooh, very cute. Let's try to save this. Okay. Let's see what the next one looks like. Still bad, but a bit better, I guess. We need to offset it more. It needs to be like here, maybe. Okay, let's save again. Nice to see you. Hello, Mr. Merm. How you doing? Phantom Bridger! Legends. I'm just figuring stuff out. Okay. That's a reasonable position. That is reasonable. What do you guys think? That is doable. I can live with that. I can... Oh, I got jump scared by the 6-7 earlier, guys. I don't know what happened there. This is all right. This is all right. This is a good position. This kind of overlaps the other notifications. Okay, wait. Let me try one thing. One thing I want to try. What does this look like? Okay, yeah. This works. I guess this works. This is great. This is just fantastic. Okay, Koning Cat? I can't see anything. Anyway, guys, welcome to the stream. It's already the most hectic start of a Kasasora stream in probably like a few days. You know, a few days. My YouTube crashes due to so many gifts. How many gifts are you guys sending? Damn. Also, S3 Gaming Twitch, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. That is immensely kind. Thank you for the sub. Also, guys, thank you for all the jewels. You guys are spamming jewels. That's crazy. I have no clue how much I'm earning from this, because I really don't know how much a jewel is worth. And if I can ever, if I can even, redeem it in a way. I really don't know how it works, but I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the questionable amount of money. I love it. Thank you. Also, Backhead, thank you for the €5 super chat. I appreciate it. Where's the maid skin? Oh, I should have put it on. That would have been perfect. That would have been perfect. I'll do that soon. I'll do that soon. Also, Ice! Thank you so much. Wait! 43 pounds? Damn! That is crazy! Thank you so much for the 43-pound donation. Anyone remember the old test plugin server I used to... Wait, what did you say? Old test plugin server I used to be owned by a single developer, but grew to a couple using it. Also, hi, it's me again. Hi! What you doing? Thank you so much for the 43-pound donation. That is insane. Thank you so incredibly much, Ice. Thank you so incredibly much. That's so immensely kind. Damn, jewel counter. I don't know if I can set one up. If I'm able to, I'll try to set one up for next stream. Also, Coding Cat, what are you doing? Where are you? Why are you bullying me? Why am I so wide? Oh. Also, Central Table, thank you for the redeem. Are the new versions of Medica safe? I think they are. I'm pretty sure the problem has been solved. I'm not 100% sure though. Okay, I hate that chili. Why is that chili... Why does it look AI generated? Why does the chili look AI generated? Am I the only one who thinks that? What's happening? Bro, what is happening? Okay, Coding Cat, remove the thingy. Ow. Let it be gone. I want to be able to see stuff. Guys, we're gonna check out Minecraft plugins here today. It's gonna be incredibly fun. The way it works is simple. I will open up a channel on the Kasasora Universe Discord server. Just go to discord.gg/Kasasora and you're able to join. I'm gonna make the channel public right now. You can see it in the events section. Over there, there's a simple button which you can click on to officially submit your plugin. And then we're gonna check out the plugin page here live on stream. And after checking out the page, if it is a plugin that we can easily set up, then we're gonna test it out live on stream. So that's how it works. Simple concept. There we go. The channels should be public. You guys can submit. Coding Cat, can you please remove this thing? I cannot see a single thing in game. Can you please remove it? Get rid of it, please. Get rid of it, please. Otherwise... Okay, thank you. Thank you. He is setting stuff up. It's so cursed. Hello, Coding Cat. Hello. Glad to see you, man. Hope you're doing great. Anyway, how are you guys all doing? Welcome, welcome. Thank you for all of the gifts. I don't know what's happening. There are so many gifts coming in. I don't even know what's up. But
Backheadies donated €5 through Super Chat.
Thank you for the €5.
Where's the maid skin? Laughing face.
Yeah, I should apply the maid skin soon. I get a sense by Bug, who actually made it. Bro, YouTube is cooked. Hey. I don't know what's happening. YouTube just allows this. I don't know. Also, Random Chat, thank you for the 37 months. Is it possible to only gift 50 jewels on display? Not sure. Not sure. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we can. Okay, guys, let's do that. Only if you donate more than 50 jewels, it will appear on screen. Otherwise, it is indeed gonna become a bit spammy. Okay, I think... There we go.
Ice Conchi donated £43 through Super
Ice
Chat.
Conchi, appreciate
Anyone remember
it.
the old test plugin server? It used to be owned by a single developer, but grew to a couple using it. Also hi, it's me again. Hi.
Hi, mate. How you doing? I don't know if I remember that. Don't think so. Don't think so. Okay, every single jewel donated that's above 50, it should appear on screen. So, oh, thank you, Random Chat, for the 37 months on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Also, W's in chat for ice for the immense 43. Okay. Glad that 6-7 still works for the £43 donation. I really appreciate that. Okay. I think that you guys have started submitting stuff. I'm gonna quickly check the dashboard. The way it works is simple. I have a dashboard where I can see all of the submissions coming in. I will click on a button, which you guys cannot see, that says draw random plugin. It will randomly give me a plugin. That plugin we're gonna test out. That's how it's gonna work. It should be simple. It should be simple, but always very fun. Always very fun. Okay, let's go. I would say let's go. Oh, hello. It is there. Wait, no. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Anyway, draw random plugin. There we have one. Let's see what this one is about. There we go. And then we're gonna change it again. And there it is! Vanish X. That's the first plugin we're checking out today. Vanish X. It's kind of feels AI generated, but I won't judge too soon. An advanced vanish plugin where players can vanish/invisible. Can vanish/invisible. Where players can invisible. Okay? And spy on other players with custom chats, effects, and more. Okay. Interesting. Oh, thank you for the sun. Wait, 200 jewels. Thank you, man. Oh, the whole jewel system is interesting. Dubs Yoda, thank you. Hitman, thank you for the crazy ton. Guess Who I Am, thank you for all the jewels. I appreciate it. I gotta start thanking people for jewels now. This is a whole new thing. Thank you guys for the jewels. I appreciate it so much. Hitman and Guess Who I Am and Dubs Yoda, thank you all so much for all the random 6-7s on screen. Let's see. So this is, can someone send a link for submitting? You need to join the Discord. It's a Discord bot that does it. So you can only do it through Discord. There's not another link. You're a really cool YouTuber. Thank you, G-Bomb. I appreciate it. Oh, all of the 6-7. Okay, so functionality. Let's see, what do we have? We're able to... Okay, there's a light mode and a surgical mode. What? What does that mean? I have no clue what that means. Surgical packets, protocol lib. Okay, Coding Cat, can you set this up on the server by any chance? I don't know if you need the link. I can send it to you. It is just Vanish X, but it requires protocol lib, so it does look very AI. At least the description, it does look AI. Should we not check it out if it is AI? I mean, we can just set it up. I'll install cursed build of protocol lib. Thank you, Coding Cat. Oh, thank you, Coding Cat. Also, Techo, thank you for the 200 jewels. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Techo256. Really kind. Thank you so much for the donations. Feels AI. It does feel AI. So I don't know if we should check it out or not, but I guess we will just let Coding Cat install it. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna install the next, or I'm gonna check out the next Minecraft plugin, and then we can check this one out in a little bit. I think that is maybe the best way to do this. So I'm just gonna click on draw random plugin again. I'm gonna go ahead and copy paste it. Copy paste, I said. No, not copy paste. We not copy pasting? Come on, copy paste. Copy paste. Okay, there we go. There we go. Next Minecraft plugin is Cry Backpacks. This also looks AI generated. AI has really taken over the internet. Has it not? Yeah, it has. A recordable is AI too. I did indeed see that. To be fair, I did not know it was AI generated by the time of making that video. Either the message was added later on, or I just missed it completely, so I didn't know. There were some definite takeaways. It's a shame. On the other hand, it is still a plugin that a lot of people seem to like, so, you know, if people enjoy it, then fine, but I do definitely not support AI generated stuff, even if it is just an image. Like, immediately when seeing a page like this and you see an AI generated image, my expectations fall to the ground. That is just kind of a thing. It just falls to the ground and I'm like, yeah, you know, it may be an incredible thing, but I don't know how great it actually is. Like, I don't know. When I see something AI generated, my expectations always are just very, very low. So, the first stable release of Cry Backpack. Why Cry? Because you will cry yourself to sleep if you use it? Why Cry? Why Cry Backpack? Requires resource pack. Oh, required resource pack for 3D models. Must install a resource pack. Oh, it's a Russian plugin too. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think this one is AI generated, but I guess we can try it. I'm not certain. I'm not certain. Can you send me the link of the resource pack downloads? I don't know where it is. Oh, this one probably. Yeah, it should be this one. It should be this one. Okay, I'll try to send some stuff over. Okay. So, yeah, Cry Backpack Resource Pack. I guess we can give it a shot. I don't have very high expectations. It really is sad to see that Modrinf is not doing anything about all of this AI slop. Because, yeah, it's not great. It just feels like slop on the website everywhere, which is really unfortunate. Yeah. I don't know, what is you guys' opinion on this? What is you guys' opinion? Like, even like using an AI generated profile picture, it is everywhere. Why is the Patreon role called Patron on the Discord? Because if you become a member on Patreon, you are a patron. And if you don't know what a patron is, or what the definition of patron is, look it up on Google. But a patron is basically someone who financially helps someone else. That's also where the name Patreon came from. It's a name that came off of the word patron, which means somebody who financially supports someone else. So if you are a member on Patreon, then you're a patron, basically. So yeah, that's kind of why. The profile picture looks okay. I vastly disagree. This profile picture is immensely AI generated and I don't like it. I do not like it. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna check out the next one. I think that CodingCat will be installing. I'm just gonna... Okay, CodingCat, I'm just gonna send all of the plugins I'm testing out in chat. And after that, we decide if we're gonna actually install them, yes or no. Okay, this one is also AI generated, I think. Man. There's so much AI generated stuff nowadays. I very, very, very much dislike it, because this profile picture doesn't look much better. FNMC. Fortnite mechanics in Minecraft. What? Fortnite mechanics in Minecraft? Kasai also sent me the first plugin. I don't have a link to it anymore. It's called Vanish X. It should be really easy to find. It does look better, but always AI. Yeah, there's so much AI. Like, guys, if you want your plugin to succeed, don't use AI in obvious places. Like, if you decide to use AI a little bit with like some bug testing, then there's nothing I can do about that. But if you just make it generate the whole plugin for you and the profile picture and the page, then people are not gonna trust it whatsoever. Bro, this generation needs therapy. Oh. Okay, so what is this about then? Fortnite mechanics in Minecraft. It is not for version 26.2, so I doubt it will even work. Also, I'm gonna put you in a timeout. There we go. If you spam in chat about a plugin I should check out, then I'm not gonna check it out. That's kind of how that works. Just submit it through the official means, through the Discords. That's the thing to do. But this is a plugin that apparently adds Fortnite-like features to Minecraft. Okay, what am I looking at? What is happening in this picture? Oh, there's the Gemini icon. Bro, you cannot make this up. Wait, can you see this? I don't think you can. Wait. Yep. Look. Bottom right. Look at the bottom right. There it is. That's the that's the Gemini icon. Yeah. Yep. Modrinf. Hey, if you're watching Modrinf. I understand you do not want to block people's creativity. And I also understand you can't fully get rid of AI, because sometimes it can be very hard to prove if something is AI generated, yes or no. It is just a reality. I know that lots of people think, here's the icon, you can see better here. I know lots of people think that it's very easy to distinguish AI from other stuff. It is not always, especially if it is just written code. It can sometimes be hard. But Modrinf, when it comes to something like a fully AI-generated picture that makes your website look like slop, why would you allow that? Like, actually, why would you allow that? I don't know. I don't understand. This type of stuff just looks unprofessional, man. Maybe they will take another stance during Spark Universe's leadership. I hope so. Because it doesn't look good on your website, man. It really does not. Especially the AI profile pictures. I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I guess we can check this plugin out too. It's probably not gonna be great. Personally, I'm coding the plugins for my server with Gemini, but every player knows it, and I don't make money with it. Even if you made money with it, like, AI is a tool. AI is something which you can use to, why does it look like this? Oh, AI is a tool which you can use, this is my opinion, by the way, to get things done efficiently or to double check things. Like, let's say you've written a text, right? Let's say you've written a text and you're not sure if there are any spelling mistakes, right? You're not sure if there are any spelling mistakes in the text that you've written. Then I can totally understand if you would use AI to double check the spelling. Let's say you've written a bunch of code, you know? Let's say you've written a plugin, you've programmed it, and you want AI to double check if, you know, you did it correctly. I can also understand that use case. But if you just ask AI to write your whole, I don't know, to write your whole presentation for you, or if you ask AI to write the whole plugin for you, then it just takes it a level too far, and it just turns into slop, which is not a good thing. It is just not. Also, guess who I am? Thank you for the 6 jewels. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for the 12 jewels, actually. Whoa, resource pack. You should accept for white Kasai hat. Okay. But does that mean it will be on my head the entire time? Oh, it's just above my... That is so immensely annoying. Coding cat, what? Okay, okay. Coding cat, let's not do this. Can I also not accept it then? Is that a possibility? Let's do edit. Let's do disable. Can I still join the server? Let's see if I can. Okay, it's still there. It's still there. It's a backpack thing. Okay, but every single time I jump, this happens. Can you please remove it for me? We can keep it on for other players. Because, by the way, guys, you guys can join. If you want to join, we will open the server in a little bit. The IP is join.kasai.live. You're able to join and test these plugins alongside with us. So, yeah, if you want to, then go ahead. It's higher now. Okay, well, seems like I'm not gonna get rid of it, so Whitelist is on. I know. I'll remove it in a bit. I appreciate it, Coding Cat. Yeah, so what are your guys' stance on using AI in Minecraft plugins? I'm not a big fan of it. I can totally understand it as a way to double check things you've made yourself, but if you use it to like completely generate a profile picture and the code and the description, then it's not even your work anymore. You didn't make it. You did not make it, man. You just generated it. And it just turns into slop. And I think personally, as a guy who loves Minecraft plugins and who loves the Minecraft community, I think Modriv not doing anything against these obviously generated profile pictures does really turn the website into a slop fest, which I hate. Which I absolutely hate. It is a problem. It is a problem. Also, thank you, Guess Who I Am, for the 6-7 jewels. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Also, what is the gift thingy? It's a new YouTube feature, apparently. People can send gifts now. And when you send a gift higher than 50 jewels, then there will be notifications on screen with fun little stickers or whatever they are. So that's a new YouTube thing that exists, essentially. Yeah, yep. That's it. Guess who I am. Thank you for the 6-7 jewels. I have no clue how much it's worth. Oh, I have no clue. Okay, anyway, the first two plugins should be installed on the server. Cry Backpack and then also Vanish X. So, whitelist off. Guys, you can join at join.kasai.live. And let's now go ahead and test out the plugins. So if you do !IP, by the way, you will also get the IP for the server. So that should be easy to do. Okay, let's see. Cry Backpack. How do I get it? How do I get the backpack? Cry Backpack. Nope. How do we get the backpack? Is there a way to get the backpack? Right, backpack. Packets, no. Crafting recipe. Okay. What is the crafting recipe? What's the recipe, man? Back. No. Is it on the page? Is it on the page we checked out earlier? Let's see. Oh, it is. Okay. Letter and a string in the center. Letter and string. Okay, so we grab a letter and we grab a string. And then we do a string in the center. And... ah, yes. Okay. Oh, it's even in Russian here. They made like no translation. Isn't that great? Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's rejoin. Let's see if the resource pack works. There we go. Okay. We got the backpack. Let's put it on, I think. Or do we need to put it on our back? How does it work? Oh, you just right click. Oh, okay. So everything is in Russian. That's great. Is it fine if I stream on MemberCat SMP? I just started streaming. Of course it is fine if you stream on MemberCat SMP. MemberCat SMP is a Minecraft server for you guys to enjoy on. I've never publicly stated this, but feel more than free to make content on MemberCat SMP. If you want to make videos on MemberCat SMP, if you want to live stream on MemberCat SMP, it is all totally fine. The only thing you need to make sure of is to not publicly advertise your live stream in any channel. On the Discord server, we have a dedicated promotion channel to promote live streams and other things. So if you want to make content on the server or live stream on the server and you want people to know about it, please just use the promotion channel to promote your stream. But other than that, perfectly fine. You're totally allowed to do that. Yes. Totally allowed to do that. Make content if you want. Also, guess who I am. Thank you so much again for the 6-7 jewels. Okay, I wanted to say rupees. No, jewels. This is a new thing. This is gonna take a while to get used to this. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for the jewels. So we got a backpack. And yeah, it says something in Russian here. I'm not Russian. So, yeah, I cannot check it out. We need to, for some reason, it doesn't work like this. Like, I'm currently right-clicking. Doesn't do anything. So we need to actually look at the ground and then right-click. And then it does open. Then it does work. So that's interesting. And I guess we can upgrade it by using iron, I'm pretty sure. The thing that... I don't know why it doesn't have any translation. It only has a Russian language file. Okay, it's an upgraded version, and now it has 2 inventory rows. Okay. And then we can upgrade it once more with gold, I'm pretty sure. Yes, okay, so... let's grab some gold, and let's put it in the... Okay, no. There we go. Let's put it in, and then like this, and then... Wait, no. Hey, stop! Okay, I need to go away. Too many players. Too many players. There's something fun. The backpack contents are missing. Are literally saved in YAML files. Okay, this is so AI generated. This is so AI generated. That is crazy. That is crazy. Okay. Yeah, so would I recommend this Minecraft plugin? No, absolutely not. It is immensely AI generated, and even the AI did not do a good job on generating it. So unfortunately, I cannot give a high recommendation about this plugin. So yeah, I would say do not use it. Next one, Vanish X. So what is Vanish about? Vanish. Okay, I've been hidden. Apparently I'm hidden now. Oh, the thing is still following me. Go then, cat! You're giving away my location, man! How dare you do that? At least save it in the base 64. Yeah, no, they're just saving it in a YAML file, man. Just in a YAML. Would not recommend that. Absolutely not. It is crazy, actually, how much AI has taken over the Minecraft plugin. Just the Minecraft plugins scene in general. Like before, my only job was looking for cool plugins and showing them to you guys. Now 90% of it is all of the plugins I get suggested. 90% of them are AI generated, which I don't really want to. Yeah. And then. And then I need to figure out, is it AI or is it not AI? And then after that, I need to figure out, is it cool or is it not cool? And then I need to actually make a video about it. It is really something else. Again, Modrinf, if you're watching, you need to put something in place, man. You need to put something in place that does something against all of this AI stuff, because it is just not. It feels very, very sloppy. I'll say the Vanish plugin does look decent. Might be that only the description is AI generated. That could be. Also, guess who I am? Thank you so much again for the 6-7 jewels. And also, Jim, thank you for the 2 jewels. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for the jewels. Okay. Let's see. So, Vanish. We do /Vanish, and then we just vanish. And we do /Vanish again, and then we're visible again. Then we can also do Vanish chats. Hello. Private chat enabled. Oh, Vanish chat. Okay, so it's a special chat maybe for people that are only vanished. Does the plugin have to be on Modrinf? It doesn't have to be on Modrinf, but it does need to be on some form of platform. We're not gonna download random jars due to security reasons. So it does need to be on some, you know, on some platform, like for example, Modrinf or CurseForge.
Cheered X100. I'm fine with AI generated plugins, but for the author at least have some preliminary fundamental knowledge before decide to make it and make it public. Please, please, please just don't pollute the overall plugin environment too badly.
Oh man, it is so badly polluted already, which does worry me a lot. Thank you, Random Chat, for the 100 bits. I appreciate it. Also, guess who I am? Thank you so much again for the 6-7 jewels on YouTube. The YouTube gift. I really appreciate that.
Cat Coding Guy
That's so kind.
-1 donated $2 through Super Chat.
Yo,
How do
thank
I
you for the
suggest
$2.
a small plugin to test?
How do I suggest a small plugin? On my Discord, go to discord.gg/Casasora. And over there, you're able to submit it near the top of the Discord server. So make sure to go there. Also, thank you for the $2. I appreciate it a lot, mate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello. Hello. Okay, so the Vanish plugin looks alright. I think we can do /Vanish and then we can enter a Vanish chat. There's also Vanish add. Nethos has been added to the Vanish list. Does that mean you're also vanished? It does mean he is vanished. It does mean he is vanished. So Vanish, remove. Okay, and now he's back. Yeah, that works. Vanish global. Oh, that's if you're using a proxy. Interesting. Interesting. Vanish. Fake join. Hello, fake join message broadcasted. Did you guys just see Casasora joined? Or not? Fake leave. Did you guys see Casasora left the server? Oh, really? Oh, so that does work. Oh, that's pretty cool then. That is pretty nice. Which channel? The channel is called Submit. It's near the top of the Discord in the event category. All right, that's pretty cool. And then we got global, help, info, inspect. Can I? What does inspect mean? The feature requires advanced vanish mode. Vanish mode. Advanced. Oh, now we're getting tools. Player info, player freeze. Did I freeze him? I think so. Yeah, there you go. Now you've also been frozen, I think. How can I unfreeze you? Oh, unfrozen. There we go. Frozen. 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 And then we got... Do we also have like a ban thing? Teleport to a random player. Player info. Wait, I've been frozen too! No! How did I freeze myself? Vanish. Freeze. Casasora. You cannot target yourself. Okay. Well, I'm stuck. Coding Cat, how dare you? How dare you, Coding Cat? How dare you do that? You just bullied him. Yeah, you did. You did bully me. How dare you do that? I'm very angry now. Very angry. Is it possible for us to join? Yes, it is. You can join. Also, Jim, thank you for the 2 jewels. I will actually add the commands to get the IP to the title of the live stream. I completely forgot to do that. 1 second. There we go. Let me quickly add it. Exclamation mark IP is the commands you want to use if you want to get on the server. There we go. I've added it to the title. Just reload your stream if you want to see it. Should be good to go. All right. Can you... Okay, thank you. So, yeah, this is fine. This is all right. It's an all right plugin. According to Coding Cat, the code doesn't look that bad. It's mostly the Modstream page that has been AI generated, but the code itself is not that bad. So, that's great, I guess. But in that case, I feel like the plugin developer is just bringing down their own plugin by using AI generated profile pictures and descriptions, because if the plugin has been coded pretty alright, but you advertise it with AI stuff, then everybody's gonna think it's AI slop. So why would you do that? Why would you take down your plugin that much? It's weird. It's weird. It's weird. Okay, anyway, let's move on to the next Minecraft plugin. I'm gonna... There we go. I'm gonna pop this in existence again. And now I'm gonna generate the next one. Draw the next one. Not generating anything. But yeah, I do agree, random chat. I do think, though, that the Minecraft plugin landscape over these past, like, 1.5 years has been polluted a lot with AI-generated plugins, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Okay, this plugin is a lot more popular and doesn't seem AI-generated. It is Anti-X-Ray. For some reason, it says Anti-X-Ray twice. The plugin is called Anti-X-Ray, and then between brackets, it says Anti-Space X-Ray. You don't need to do that, my man. It's fine. It's fine. One time Anti-X-Ray is enough. But it's an advanced Anti-X-Ray and alerts stats plugin. Would that work? What plugins are people recommending today? Yeah, lots of AI stuff and X-ray stuff, apparently. So we got Neon. Oh, huh? What? Okay, so the plugin is called Anti-X-Ray. They want to make sure you know that it's an Anti-X-Ray plugin. So they put it here again, but then with a space. But now suddenly it's called Neo Anti-X-Ray. What? What are you? What's your name? That's kind of strange. That's kind of strange. You should flatten that out for sure. But it's a powerful anti-X-ray moderation plugin for paper servers. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Smart ore vein detection, staff alerts, top lock system. Okay, so the thing with anti-X-ray plugins is that exclamation mark IP doesn't work. It does not. Does it not work at all? In that case, let me quickly check if I can make it working. That is strange. I'll check it out real quick. Commands. Oh, okay, now it should work. Try again. It should work now. There we go. Join.kasai.live. That's the IP you want to use. That's the one and only one. Okay, so I guess we can check this out. I've never really had good experiences with anti-X-ray plugins because usually they cause a lot more lag than the problem that they solve. Usually it's not worth it to use an anti-X-ray plugin because Paper does have anti-X-ray. Should we really install the Fortnite plugin? I don't know, man. I doubt it will even work because it seemed outdated. But the anti-X-ray plugin, usually it's not really worth using because it just causes more lag than what it solves. Because, you know, Paper also has anti-X-ray built in. I doubt this one is gonna be good, but I guess we could try it out. I would say, Coding Cats, just see if you can install that Fortnite plugin thing. I mean, you don't have to, but you can. And also get this one on. I'm gonna check out the next plugin and then maybe we can try 3 at once. Maybe that's worth it. Just going through a lot of them today. Okay, here we got the next one. Oh, this is different. YouTube will not like this much.
At randomchad64 donated $2 Canadian through Super Chat.
Yo, thank you, man.
By the way, we're checking plugin with version 26.1.2.
Yes, we are. The server is in 26.1.2. Thank you so much for the $2 Canadian. I appreciate it. Indeed, 26.1.2. So if you have a plugin for that version or that's compatible in that version, do let us know. We cannot completely reinstall the server. As long as it just works, it's fine. This is one that YouTube will not enjoy, but I guess we can try it out. Supports left and right click shoot. All guns are fully customizable. How great. Lots of weapons, lots of ammo. I know a lot of you guys will enjoy a plugin like this. I know YouTube won't, but I mean, we can try it out potentially. What do you guys say? It doesn't look AI generated. Quality armory. Okay. Okay. I'm personally not a big fan of gun mods in Minecraft whatsoever. So it's not one that I would personally use. But, yeah. What's wrong with it? It has guns. YouTube doesn't really like guns. And I'm not a big fan of them either. Well, this is interesting. An anti-X-ray plugin without any dependencies on a protocol library. Oh, that seems interesting. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. We can check out another plugin.
As that coding guy -1 donated $2 through Super Chat.
Yo, thank you.
Thanks, by the way. Your stream is the best coding BG.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. I'm glad you're enjoying the stream, even if it's just in the background, just casually watching while doing other stuff. I appreciate you supporting the channel and having it on, man. That's very, very kind. Look! Okay, guys, I want to show this. For some reason, I get a lot more respect when something is like this. Here. You can say about the art and this picture whatever you want. But one thing it is not. It is not AI generated. Okay? It is not. You can clearly see this has been handmade. It doesn't look amazing, but you can see that work went into this. You know, this person spent time, probably in Photoshop or another free editor, to make this and cut it out. Which is great. It immediately, it gives me a lot more hope in the plugin itself. And this is really, really, really true. Like, it is just, when something is AI generated, the first thing everybody thinks is, yeah, that's slop. That's slop. This plugin, I have hope in this plugin. It doesn't seem like slop. It doesn't. It seems solid. And it's a pretty cool concept, I'm pretty sure, because better Bedrock menus. Wait, is it then for Bedrock Edition? No, it's not for Bedrock Edition. Creates Geyser Oh, that's interesting. Oh, create Geyser modules for Bedrock players on your Java crossplay server. That is such a specific use case. That's pretty cool. Oh, we would have to set up Geyser, though. We would have to set up Geyser on the server. Maybe we can do that. Better Bedrock menus is a tool that allows people running a server with crossplay to be able to create GUIs for Bedrock players in a simple fashion. Oh. That is interesting. How could we test it right now? Well, if one of my amazing staff wants to set up Geyser, then we can totally test it out. It's something I would skip usually, because I'm not really able to set it all up myself while doing a live stream. But if any of you guys wants to set it up, then that's great. Also, it allows you to create custom menus in like the typical Bedrock Edition style. Basically, like you're able to do or basically like the menus that you see on, for example, the Hive. You know, the Hive Minecraft server? It also has like these buttony menus. It seems like that is what it allows you to do. So then this is what you will see on Java Edition, and this is what you will see on Bedrock. Oh, I actually kind of like that. If that works, that will be kind of cool. Okay, yeah, I'm excited to check this one out. Don Planto, if you could actually set up Geyser, if you have the time and the effort for that, then and if you want to spend your time on that, I'll send the link. There we go. If you want to set it up, it will be kind of cool. It will be kind of cool. Okay, we've checked out 3 plugins now. I will probably do one more before we're gonna test them out again, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a bit longer to set this server up with Geyser. I'm already setting up Geyser. Okay, great. Thank you, Golden Cat. Okay, let's check out one more, just to have something to take a look at while the boys are setting up the server. My incredible staff team. Okay. I've just clicked on a link. It is not loading right now. Will it start loading? Please. Please. Is Motriff down or is it just my PC? Probably my PC. Distant Horizons. Oh, there it is. Okay, this is a really popular one I've actually not heard about before. I know what this is. Distant Horizons support. Add support for Distant Horizons to your Bucket compatible server.
Donated €2 through Super Chat. Meow.
Wait, what is your name? How did it just announce your name? Recent. Let me redo that one. Let me redo that one. I didn't hear.
At hey donated €2 through Super Chat. Meow.
Meow, thank you so much for the €2. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for the €2 donation. And also, Jim, thank you for the 2 jewels. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for the jewels, guys. I guess I like this new YouTube gift system. I'm not really sure what it does exactly and how it works and how much I receive per jewel gifted, but I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is Distant Horizons support, and it adds Distant Horizons support to a Bucket compatible server. Okay, that seems easy enough. I guess this one works. I don't think this is a plugin we really have to test out, because I'm pretty sure it does just work. Jim, thank you for the 8 jewels again. I really appreciate it. That is very, very kind. It is kind of sad that all of those early jewels don't really show up anymore. Maybe we should make I don't know if that's something I can do. Maybe we can make a system where it can't be spammed, but it does still show all the jewels. Creators receive rubies for gifts sent. Every 2 jewels redeemed equals 1 ruby, with each ruby's value being $1 cent. Oh. Oh, 100. Okay, 2 jewels is 1 ruby. 100 rubies is $1. So every 200 jewels, I get $1. Is that what that means? Every 100 jewels, every 200 jewels, $1. Okay. That's how it works then.
At hey donated €2 through Super Chat. I'm on my server trying to do moderation, by the way.
That's awesome, man. Also, thank you, hey, for the €2 I really appreciate that. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the donation. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think we have to test this one out because it probably just works. But it's a cool plugin, especially if you like Distant Horizons and if you use it often, then I guess this is a cool one to have. I guess it is a cool one to have, but yeah, I don't really feel like it requires testing. I don't think it does. It probably just works. Okay, let's see if the server's back on. We've checked out 4 Minecraft plugins now, which is quite a bit. So let's see. Oh, it's still not. It's still down. It is still down. That is very interesting. Okay, so while it is down, I'm quickly gonna check my alert box. I'm gonna see if there's a way to make... Let's see, jewel. There it is, jewels. The positioning is alright. Okay, so only 50 or up they appear. Alert duration. What if we make the alert duration a lot smaller? What if we make it like 5 seconds? Would that be better? And then we set it to 20 maybe? Minimum of 20? I just want to test a little bit. Only 50 or above speaks. Ooh. Well, is text-to-speech even on for the jewels? I don't remember. Is text-to-speech on for jewels? I don't think so. I think, yeah. Is it? No. No, right? No, it's not, I think. No, but a sound. Oh, yeah, that is true. There is a sound. Absolutely. Darkstar Works! Thank you so much for becoming a YouTube member. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Okay, so the anti-X-ray plugin doesn't start because its API version is set to 26.2, but I'll patch the jar and make it run anyway. Okay. That's still gonna take a while, though. In this case, I guess we should check out another Minecraft plugin. Because if you're gonna go and do that now, then, you know, we might as well check something else out. We might as well... No, I'm done. You're already done? Is the server on already? No, it's not. Okay, we're still waiting for a bit longer. Thank you for your content. You're welcome, Darkstar. You are so incredibly welcome. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate it. And also, guess who I am? Thank you for the 10 jewels. It is kind of sad that low jewels, like low number jewels, don't appear. I wanna see if I can set up another system. Okay, I've set it to 0 again. Maybe there's something I can do where it doesn't play a sound under a specific amount. Minimum to get red. Okay, let's do 100. I'll enable TTS. I guess I will enable TTS. Okay. Okay. I've enabled TTS, guys, for the jewels. And if you donate more than 100 jewels, then it gets read out. So then the TTS actually activates. And if you donate something less than 100 jewels, then it will just have a notification. But it will be a bit of a shorter notification. So let's see if this works. Let's see if this is better. We're just gonna tweak it along the way and figure out what works for us and for this channel. We will just figure it out. Okay, the server is on. Let's go. Jim, thank you for the jewels. I appreciate it. Okay. I hear explosions. Okay, what is happening? Where are we? Is this Fortnite? Is this Fortnite? Ow! Is this what Fortnite... Why am I so small? Iron hoe, stone... What are these? Hello? Oh, wait, people are actually building. How are you guys building? Wait, how? Wait, how? Hey! Oh, no. Help, I'm stuck. Fortnite in Minecraft. Oh, you can just build like this. Ow. Ow. Okay, I have no clue what's happening, but this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool in some weird way. This is cool. Look, you can just... How do I confirm? How do I confirm? Okay, I don't know what's going on. For some reason, nothing is staying right now. Everything just gets removed again if I place it. But... Okay, there's so much happening. Wait, let's go to creative. Why does it not place anymore? Did Coding Cat disable something? Okay, maybe if we go down... Okay, no. Coding Cat! I don't know what's going on, but... I'm not able to test it. It doesn't work. It worked before. It looked cool in the first few seconds, but now everything just seems broken. Okay, so I think the plugin just broke, or Coding Cat broke something. I don't really know. The plugin does even have a config. Really? Does have a config? Well, this worked before, but it seems to have broken. So when I change my inventory slot, it somehow changes what block it places. Oh, this is a bow and arrow? And then this is, wait, what was that notification? Thank you so much for becoming a member of the Castle Solar channel. I appreciate it. And what is this? Oh, this is just another, oh. I feel like we're missing a resource pack. Is this vibe coded? Big chance. Big chance. The entirety of Modrinf seems to be filled with AI generated stuff. It is an unfortunate fact. I did a whole rant of like 20 minutes about AI generated plugins, and that's, you know, it's literally everywhere now. It could totally be. It seems like we're missing a resource pack though. Are we not? Is there not a resource pack? There should be a resource pack. Because this makes no sense. Does it even do damage? Are you guys getting damaged? Yeah. It's been 6 months since you last posted a Pumpkin MC video. Any new things incoming? So I made one Pumpkin MC video because it was just an interesting project at the time. It wasn't meant to become like a series on the thing. Sure, I can do a 6 months after video and see if anything has changed. Back then, stuff was kind of broken. I will be kind of curious to see if stuff has changed ever since. If you think that stuff has changed, let me know here in chat, and I will definitely, I'll definitely get on to making a follow-up video to see how stuff is working nowadays. If it's better, if it's less broken, who knows? But I appreciate it. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I really, really, really appreciate that so much. Okay, we're doing big damage. Okay. Fortnite is being deleted. Thank you. Bye, Fortnite. It was good having you for 2 minutes. I will never get those 2 minutes back. That's just the reality we live in. Oh, Fortnite is being undeleted. No, not undeleted. Fortnite will be gone. Be gone, Fortnite. Speedy Falcon, how you doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? Thank you for tuning in. It's spamming eliminated in chat. It is. It is. Fortnite was being something special. It was being a very, very special plugin. Yeah, we're gonna check out the other Minecraft plugins that we just had a look at their pages, their Modrinf pages. Let's go have a look at all of those in stream. And after that, we're gonna check out more plugins. I left my server for this stream, and then I will go back to my amazing Creative Plus server. Okay, I'm glad you have an amazing Plus server. I'm glad you're having a good time there. I hate Fortnite. Why you hate Fortnite, Jim? Oh, okay. I think we're good to go again. Yeah, this doesn't work. So now let's check out what other plugins we got. So we have better Bedrock menus. We have the anti-X-ray thing. Okay. So does the anti-X-ray work? Is then the big question. Does it actually do anything? Have you tried Tweaked and Lightmatica? I've tried them once in the past, yes. Yeah. I've not made a video on them, but I've tried them. It's a mod though, not a plugin, as far as I understand. At least Lightmatica, so... I will not be checking it out today, but I have tried them. Lightmatica has an RCE. I don't think anymore. I think it has been removed at this point. Right? Should be removed at this point. I recently watched a bit more FNAF content. So I was just wondering, would you play any FNAF game live or something? Maybe on my second channel I would at some point. I've not been playing any other games than Minecraft now on YouTube. It's been a long time since I've streamed anything else because I've just been so occupied with growing this channel and keeping up with the Minecraft content and whatsoever. But eventually I want to go back to streaming other things on my second channel, and then who knows? Who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Okay, there we go. We're back. We're back. We're back. Doesn't paper have a built-in anti-X-ray? It does. But we're still gonna check out this anti-X-ray because it got submitted. And we want to see if it works. So... Neo anti-X-ray. Top luck. Rank players by suspicious score. Ooh, not looking good for you, my man. Risk 0. Diamond rate 0. Ah, noob. Noob. I'm kidding, by the way. So, we should probably give everyone pickaxes. For this once, guys, install X-ray, try to X-ray. Let's see if we can set up... I saw something interesting just now. Auto ban. On. Yep. Yes, sir. Auto ban is on. There you go, guys. Have fun X-raying. Good luck. Get yourself banned. You will get unbanned, don't worry. You will get unbanned. Install X-ray. Go in X-ray. Let's see if it works. Let's see if we get any notifications in chat from Neon or Neo X-ray saying that, you know. Why don't you do a VOD then? What do you mean? Why don't I do a VOD then? Like a VOD channel? All my VODs are always on YouTube. When I do a live stream, it always turns into a VOD. And you can always rewatch all my live streams on YouTube if you want. If you like to do that, then you always can. I think this is not a preventive X-ray. It seems like a monitoring X-ray system. I mean, I just enabled auto ban. So I guess it's well, it's not preventive, no. It's one that catches X-rayers. At least that's what it's supposed to do, I guess. And when we go here, we can see who is being suspicious. Right now, nobody is suspicious whatsoever. Apparently. So that's interesting. It doesn't notify any packets, so people will still be able to see the ores. Oh. So it doesn't work like... Interesting. So it doesn't work like the built-in paper anti-X-ray where it spawns fake ores. It just allows people to see everything. It will just auto-ban if you're being suspicious. But how does it know if you're being suspicious then? I don't really know that. I don't really know how that works. That's interesting. Is anyone being suspicious already? He is being the most suspicious. For some reason. Why are you being suspicious? You're not even doing anything. Guys, give Ed a... netherite pickaxe. Okay, everybody has a netherite pickaxe. Go and mine. Go and mine. Go and X-ray. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, an X-ray. Everybody. You got pickaxe. There we go, pickaxe. Grab a pickaxe. Is X-ray not allowed? It is now! Oh! There's a notification. Neon X-ray ore alert. Error found 2 deep slate diamond ore. Okay, that's not that weird. Error found 2 diamond ore again. And 2 again. So wait, is the risk rising every single time you find like an ore? What if you just find it naturally? How does that work? Error is the most suspicious. I guess it checks the amount of blocks you've mined in total. And it also checks the amount of ores you've mined. And if the percentage of ores is relatively high compared to stone, then I guess it makes you more suspicious. It thinks you're more suspicious. Oh, you can also see exactly how much a person has mined. So 15 diamonds. This is how much ancient debris, emeralds, gold, iron. Yeah, so if somebody is only mining diamonds... Ooh, this guy's getting suspicious. Yeah, if somebody's only mining diamonds and not any other blocks, then... It likely compares the stats. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Interesting. Switch to online. What do you mean? Oh, offline modes? Probably. Probably. Okay. Huh. Well, is this useful? Is this useful? Is it not just better to use the built-in anti-X-ray? Kasai Geyser works. Join at Kasai.live port 26121. Nice. So I should probably join with my Bedrock Edition account then to see the new menus or not. To see the cool menus. Probably. Is this useful? What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is useful? Something like this? It's basically to use both packets based on her. Okay. What if you would use both? What if you would use like Paper's anti-X-ray to prevent people from X-raying, and then you add a system like this as like a double layer? Would that work? Would it give you more control, maybe? Over if, you know... Because then you can check what everybody is mining. Definitely producing a lot of false positives. I mean... Especially nowadays, right? Because nowadays in Minecraft, there are so many caves. There's so many caves that just have a lot of diamonds in them. You don't have to mine a whole lot of stone nowadays if you want to get diamonds, since like the 1.18 update. So I don't know how effective this would be. Diamond rate 11%. I mean, I guess if somebody has like 75% there, then, you know, maybe you can start becoming a bit suspicious. If the plugin also doesn't take like underwater mining into account. Huh. It seems cool, but I don't think it will be that useful. More data is more accuracy. Yeah, that is definitely true. What do you think, you have trouble? Do you think something like this would be useful? With like maybe use it together with maybe the paper system, the paper anti-X-ray system. Use that and then this alongside to get a bit more control. Just let it run on the back. Like not actively use it, no auto ban, but maybe just let it run in the back end. Just so when you are suspicious of someone, you can check their stats. And, you know, if you have it running for maybe over a month, then you can maybe get an accurate reading on if it is actually true that they're X-raying or whatever. What's your opinion on that? What's your opinion? Please turn on keep inventory. I can turn on keep inventory. There we go. There we go. Hi, hello. How you doing? Milkins. What's up? I'm cheating, guys. Trust. Of course you are, Hitman. But we already knew that. This is basically just a good system that catches people based on pure stats. It will work when enough time has passed. Yeah, I think so too. I think you could totally just run this in the backend. It's not you should not use the auto ban feature. But like if you use Paper's anti-X-ray system and you just let this one, yes, Coding Cat. If you just let this one run in the back, and over time it will give you an accurate reading. And let's say you have anti-X-ray enabled on your server, but you feel like somebody is, like the Paper one, but you feel like somebody is bypassing it, then at least you have some stats to check. Like, you don't have to teleport to their house and check their chests and see how many diamonds they have. You can just check this system, check their stats, and be like, okay, is my suspicion correct? Is it true that like 50% of everything they mine is diamonds? Or is it not that bad? I think it could be useful. Okay, I'm gonna boot Minecraft Bedrock Edition now. Because, and let's see if it works or not. My Bedrock Edition usually doesn't work that well. But let's see if it does this time. Let's see if it does. Let's see if I can get into this server. What's the IP again, Coding Cat? Or the port, I mean. I do have the highest plugin resource consumption along all current plugins installed and enabled. Ah, yeah, that's fair. That is very fair. Okay. Okay, let me set up my Bedrock Edition. And then let's see if I can actually get it working. Oh. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Here we are. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna add a server. What should we call it, guys? Buckrock. Buckrock. Server IP is join.kasai.live and the port is 26121. Add and play. Okay. Let's see if we can join and let's see if we can test out this Minecraft plugin. Yes, let's go ahead and download. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Whoa. Here we are. Hello. Hello, Coding Cat. What's up? Ooh, thank you for the pickaxe. Diamond pickaxe. What do you want me to do? You want me to X-ray? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Press enter. Yes, Minecraft. There we go. Happy now? What do you want me to do? Just want me to mine a whole bunch of stuff here? Advancement made. Diamonds. Let's go. Let's go. This is really, really slow. Why don't I have efficiency on my pickaxe? Also, I don't think my stats will look great. What is the name of this mod? What mod? What mod? We're not using any mods right now. I'm currently just playing on the Minecraft server we've just set up. We're testing out a Minecraft plugin that allows you to make custom menus on a Geyser MC server, specifically made for Bedrock Edition. I don't know why I'm mining diamonds now. Oh, thank you, Coding Cat. That helps a whole lot. That helps a whole lot. Also, Jim, thank you so much for the 6 jewels. I appreciate it, man. I do appreciate it. That's very kind. Thank you for the jewels. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So what's the goal? Should I just continue mining and will I get banned in a bit? Is that the goal, Coding Cat? Okay, he died. There we go. What is the Bedrock port? Is that Chili AI? Ask YouTube. They made it, okay? Ask Neil. I have no clue at all if it is AI generated. It does look AI generated. I did not make it, okay? I did not make that awful looking chili. It was the YouTube. Somebody at the YouTube headquarters built it, okay? It is not me. I cannot help it. I do appreciate the 6 jewels though. It's very kind. So how long am I gonna keep going? Also, should I open the menu or something like that? Have we set up a menu which I can open, Coding Cat? A cool menu? I kind of want to test what happens if you get an insane rate of diamonds. Okay, cool. I will continue mining then. If you can set up a menu, that would be cool. It is confirmed now. Bedrock Casa is better at PvP. Java Casa. The sad thing is, you have trouble. It is actually true. Oh. It is actually true because Bedrock Edition is just spam clicking. Just like Java 1.8. And I'm better at spam clicking than at that. Hello, this is a cool menu. Creative, survival, close. Okay, creative. Did it send me to... It did not send me to creative. But that is a cool menu. That works. Also, Goonmaster XD. Who are you? And why is your name Goonmaster XD? Mate! Ah, you're not OP. Oh, that makes sense. That does make sense, yes. Goonmaster XD here on the server. The one and only. So what does my score currently say? Is it already saying something, something around... Oh, wait. Watch, error is above staff alert threshold. What is my threshold right now? Can I check that? Is that something I can check? Wait, Neo... Yeah. Am I here? Oh, there I am. Risk score 61%. Stone mined 0. Total ores 274. Ooh, that doesn't look great. Well, let's continue. Subscribe. I agree. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. The autoban is really bad because some people use Silk Touch and get all the ores before mining. Oh, does it not take Silk Touch into account? Have you tested it? Because that's pretty bad. That is pretty bad. Please give a netherite pickaxe again. Give at a netherite... Oh, does it not autocomplete? Minecraft colon netherite underscore pickaxe 1. Did it work? I think it worked. There you go. There you go. Hello, you also mine in here? Wait, I'll mine here. I'll mine here. I'll mine here. Let's get more diamonds. Let's see what happens if my risk rate is at 100. Oh. Def, close. Close, please. Don't want to lose my diamonds. Obviously. Oh, I just fell. Almost. I'll choose the close option. Thank you. Okay. I have a membership so I can have creative, please. I don't think we're gonna give out creative. Def or def. Wait, error? Def or def? X. There we go. We're out of the menu. What is this? Can you go in? Yeah, you can join the server. It's join.kasai.ho. Hello? Okay, def then. No! Okay, help. I'm stuck in an infinite menu void. Okay, respawn. Respawn. Yo! Hey, it's a moving...
Deal.
They can move? Jim! Thank you so much for the... Wait, was it Jim? Who sent that? Who sent the 250 jewel thing? I didn't know they could move. That's new to me. They have gifts? If they're high enough, they're gifts? I did. Oh, well, why did I not get a notification? Or, well, I did get a notification, but it's not showing up in my YouTube dashboard. I appreciate it, the coding guy. That's very kind. Appreciate the 250. I had absolutely no clue they could have animations. That's completely new to me. We love to see it. We love to see it. Because I saw a moving animal for the first time. Yeah, what can I say, bro? I never go outside, so for me it was a brand new experience. Also, my YouTube dashboard is completely frozen, by the way. Just to catch you guys up back to speed, I can right now not see anything on my YouTube dashboard because it has completely frozen. So let me try to get to my YouTube dashboard through another browser. Maybe that helps. Oh, there it is. Hunted Corpse. Thank you for the 250 jewels. I appreciate it. Okay, here it works. Here it works. That is so weird. That is so weird. Well, it's completely frozen in one browser. The YouTube dashboard's so crashy, man. It is so buggy. It is unreal. Actually crazy stuff. Appreciate the jewels, guys. Okay, so those menus that you just saw, that is the menus that you can create with that plugin. So you can make different menus depending on like the edition you play. I guess you can make a menu for Java edition and then you can make a menu for Bedrock edition. Which is pretty cool. Hello, this is me menu plugin. Bonjour. Hey, bonjour. How you doing? Okay, great. That's pretty cool. How to send jewels. Apparently, if you're on mobile, there's a little gift icon where you can click on. YouTube gave me 1,000 jewels for free. They did? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you have to be on mobile. And then there's like a little package icon, little present icon where you can click on and then you can send one. It's a brand new feature, which I apparently have unlocked. So that's nice. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me access to new features. Okay, whatever this is, I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna go back to Java edition, because, oh my. I don't know what that is about, but I hate it. Let's go back to Java edition. I'm gonna boot Java. The menu plugin is a bit weird, how you make a menu, but I guess it works. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Everyone has 1K free of those? Really? I wonder if YouTube will actually give me revenue then for that or not. I wonder, because we all know YouTube. We love YouTube, but YouTube is also YouTube. So, you know, I wonder. Let's boot Java edition again. There we go. Minecraft Java edition. Let's go. We are so back. We are so back. I think we did check out all of the Minecraft plugins that we had a look at on Modrinf. Hello, boys. So that would mean we need to check out some more. Let's see. Floodgate and Neon X-Ray. Yeah, we checked them all out. Okay. In that case, it is time. It is time to check out some more Minecraft plugins submitted by you guys. Gonna grab the page again. And we're gonna check what else is there. Yo, you have trouble. Thanks so much for the 7 months. I appreciate it. I say I can send a highlighted message. Hi, nerd. You have trouble. How you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. And thank you for the highlighted message. That's very kind. Thank you, man. Okay, wait. I'm gonna close my YouTube dashboard because it's clearly not working. It's not working really well. Mr. Merm, thank you for the 1 month. Is this free? I don't know. It is. It is free. I'm gonna close my dashboard. I'm just gonna keep my thingy around. I can still see the live chat, by the way. Don't worry. I can read the live chat, but this is very broken. This is very broken. I don't have the Jules UI. I mean, it is a brand new feature, so you probably need to update your app, maybe? Question mark? Could be that you need to update your mobile app. And then, apparently, according to some of you guys, you get 1,000 free jewels that you can just donate. Which is worth... How much is that worth? 5 euros? That would be $5 then. They will be worth $5, so I guess that's fun. You can donate them if you want. And then I will likely get paid from that. So appreciate it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. $5 in euro. That's like 4 euros and 60 cents, I guess. A bit of that. A euro is worth a bit more than $1. So I think $5 is about 4 euros 60. Kind of like that. It's pretty close, but just a bit less. Just a little less. Okay, it is time to check out more plugins. I'm gonna grab the page. I'm gonna click on random draw. And here is the next plugin we are checking out today. Let's see if it loads. Let's see if it does. Oh, everything is slow today. Hello? Matrimf not responding. Fireball fight. Is this the one? This is the one. Okay, guys. How are you? Wait, you're flying. You should not be able to fly. Gone. Be gone! You can't fly! You can't just do that! Also, Texa! Thank you so much for the 10 jewels. Appreciate it. Very kind. They're hacking. Yeah, that much is clear. That much is clear. We should ban them. Appreciate it. Texa Tom. Or Texas Adam. .mp3. Appreciate it. Appreciate the 10 jewels. Alright. Yes, we're gonna check out more plugins. More. There we go. This is the next one. It is called Fireball Fight. Texas is a US state. I'm aware. Yes. I just misread the name. I know what Texas is. Don't worry. I know what Texas is. Fireball Fight is a fast-paced Bed Wars-style PvP minigame where players battle using fireballs. Okay. A Bed Wars-style minigame. So you need to still destroy a bed, I guess. Do they have screenshots? Ooh, they do. Okay. They do. So you have islands. And then Fireball Trial. Wait, somebody's building again. Hello. Let's see. Bridging. Breaking beds. Okay, so it's Bed Wars with fireballs. Is it? Is it not just normal Bed Wars then? Why is it different? Because like if the only weapon you would have would be a fireball, sure, but look, there's so much stuff you can get. You use fireballs to launch. Oh, but you can also just bridge. You have trouble. You have trouble. Thank you, You Have Trouble, for the 6-7 jewels. I appreciate it. That is very kind. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Fancy coming from you. So you can just bridge. So you can bridge, you can break a bed, you can use... Because you also have fireballs on normal Bed Wars. So I don't really understand what is special about this one. Because... like, if bridging would not be possible, if you could just use fireballs, sure, but it doesn't look like that's what's happening. So, not really sure what the goal is of this one. But I guess the overly heavy thumbnails are here. Like Hypixel Fight, Fireball. Okay. Why is he crying? And why do you look like that? Are his eyes made bigger in Photoshop? I'm not sure. I know that guy. Oh, you do? Oh, I don't know him. I don't know him. Interesting. Okay, well, so it's always the YouTube tutorials. Yeah. I think you guys know that I'm not a big fan of thumbnails like these, but that's just me. He's Indian.
Donated £20 through Super Chat.
Ice!
When's the Kasai mod coming out?
Damn!
I want server guides within Minecraft.
Server guides within Minecraft. Oh, that's kind of interesting. That is kind of interesting. Thank you so much for the £20 donation. That is immensely kind. Thank you so much, man. W's in chat for eyes. That would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. Also, you have trouble. Thank you for the 6 jewels. Thank you for the hot chili. Because I'm not trying to be racist. I'm absolutely not racist. Absolutely not. The thing I was saying is I'm not a fan of these types of overly excessive thumbnails. You know, the typical Mr. Beast thumbnail where they're like, you know, those typical thumbnails. I'm not a fan of them. That's all I'm saying. Has nothing to do with race or where you're from or whatsoever. And the fact that I do know him is probably because he's Indian and I don't speak Hindi, so I can't understand his videos. That's all I'm saying. Hey, Jude Walter, thank you so much for the 2 jewels. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Why did Cry get removed? I didn't try it. Because we moved on to the next plugin. We did. Also, thank you, Ice. Also, thank you, You Have Trouble. Damn, you guys are donating a lot of stuff today. Very kind. I do kind of agree with the thumbnail thing. It's sad becoming more and more common. Yeah, it's just all the thumbnails kind of start to look the same, you know? I don't know. I'm just not... But that's just my personal opinion. I know that they're very, very popular. Yeah, they're very popular and, like, they are popular because people fall for them, right? People like them. So, the thumbnails work. It's just not a type of thumbnail I would make because... Yeah, I don't know. Anyway... Fireball Fight, should we try it? What do you guys think? Should we try it, yes or no? I don't know. I don't know if we should try it. It does seem like a whole lot of effort to set up, but... I don't think we should. I see quite a lot of no's. I don't think so either, because it's gonna take a lot of time to set up. Oh, it's not compatible with our version either, yeah. Okay, well, in that case, let's move on to the next Minecraft plugin. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Let's see. Does it load? For some reason, my mod frame just does not want to load. I don't know why. I know what is up and what's happening, but it does not want to load at all. Because I checked DMs. Okay, that's fine. Well, if they randomly get chosen, we can have a look at that. That's cool. Thank you, Coding Cat, for letting me know. My Modrinf is just not loading, man. I can look stuff up on Modrinf, but for whatever reason, if I just try to look for it, it will not load. Strange. Strange. Okay, well, let's just search on the website then. Another backpack plugin. Oh, these make me scared. These make me scared. Okay. Another backpack plugin, guys. Probably backpacks. They're not sure. It may not be a backpack plugin at all. Maybe it's an RTP plugin. Oh, that would be so funny. Imagine somebody making an RTP plugin and just calling it probably backpacks. You know, it's probably backpacks, and then it turns out it's not backpacks. It's in actuality RTP. That will be funny. Well, this does actually look decent, I guess. It does, but still. So, probably backpacks. Tired. Where they misspelled tire. Oh, tiered. Oh, tiered backpack. Okay, no. Fair. Tiered backpack system. It would be funny, yes. Yeah, just imagine somebody calling it probably backpacks, and then it's just another plugin. It's just something different. Yeah, it was probably backpacks. Turned out it wasn't. I would love that. That's my type of humor. Anyway, backpacks. But for paper/spigot. 3D models, rich upgrades. So is this just a better version of the backpack plugin we've seen previously? Is that what it is? Is it just a better one? See what's new in 2.3. Netherite backpack. Lava/fire immunity. Okay. Way more tiers. Way more tiers. Okay, I would like to test this one out. This one does seem kind of cool. This one does seem kind of cool. I would like to try this one. This one seems kind of promising. Let's go ahead and try it out. Coding Cat, I will send it your way. I'll send it your way. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. And then I guess we should check out one more. Just to see. Oh, this one I've checked out. Did I make a video about this one? No, I didn't. Also, Mothriff still doesn't load for me. Mothriff, what you doing? Yeah, so this is a very popular plugin. I don't know why somebody recommended this popular plugin to me, but you guys probably know it. It's Plasmo Voice. It's an alternative to simple voice chat that apparently has a bit more customization, question mark. I don't think we're gonna check it out today, but it's a cool plugin. Is it only a plugin? Yeah, it's only a plugin. It's not a mod. Oh, it is also a mod. Also Fabric. Okay, never mind. It's a plugin and a mod. That's fair. It's an alternative to simple voice chat. It's great, but you know, is it necessary? It's just a different one. It is very popular though. Like it has 3.5 million downloads, which is a lot. The backpack plugin has Geyser support apparently. Really? Oh, that's pretty cool. Maybe we can try that now that we have Geyser installed anyway. Plugin itself definitely is nice. Yeah. Oh, wait. You mean the previous one from just now? Yeah, I've also never needed more customization. Yeah, okay, fine. I'm gonna check out another Minecraft plugin because this one we're not gonna install. It's so popular already. And we know it works. It's just a voice chat plugin, but a different one. So let's check another one out. Which is a plugin that I feel like I've covered before. Have I covered this plugin before? I'm not certain. It's called Item Edit. A fast edit, customize, and manage items. Wait, fast edit, customize, and manage items. Okay. Item Edit. Have I covered this one? I feel I know it. I feel like I know it. Take full control over item customization with Item Edit. It's a very classic plugin. Yeah, right? Your stream is lagging. Not on my end. You might have to reload your stream or make sure your internet connection is alright. For me, everything seems fine. Both YouTube and Twitch are telling me that my connection is on fleek. So, for me, it is fine. It's probably your internet. Let's see. Take full control over item customization with Have I checked this one out? I probably have checked it out. I think I've checked it out. But we can check it out once more. Why not? It's a simple plugin that we can just install and check out. So I would say, why not? Coding Cat, just throw it on the server if you want, or my man Don Planto. Oh, wrong channel. Wrong channel. There we go. Just plap it on. Twitch has 2K. What do you mean Twitch has 2K? 2K what? Have you tried 1440p streaming? No, I've not, because I'm streaming in ultra low latency. Does Twitch have 1440p? I don't think so. So I've not tried it because on YouTube, I stream in ultra low latency. And because of that, if I stream in too much of high quality, it'll start lagging more. And I'm not even able to stream in ultra low latency. So what is ultra low latency for and what does it? Ultra low latency is basically just ultra low latency, which means that if I talk, you will see. So I say hi now, you see it literally 3 or 4 seconds later. So it's basically instant, an instant live stream. So it just gets sent to you guys basically immediately, which is great for live interactions, basically the thing that we constantly do here during a live stream. But you can also do a live stream where there's a minute of delay, for example. And if you want a live stream that is, you know, very snappy, and that when I live stream, you can see it like a few seconds after I've actually set a thing. Basically making live interactions possible. Then it's... yeah, you can't stream in too much of high quality. Your quality can't be too high, because then it's just, yeah, it doesn't work. So that is basically why I'm streaming in 1080p on both YouTube and Twitch. I can stream, I think, on 1440p on YouTube and Twitch, but I'm pretty sure if I do that, I have to turn off ultra low latency, which means that the stream delay is gonna be like 10 or 15 seconds instead of only 3 or 4 seconds. And then chat interactions are gonna be a lot less fun, because you can say something, but I will only see it like 15 seconds after, which kind of ruins an ongoing conversation. So that is the reason why I'm streaming in 1080p. Twitch supports 1440p. True, I know YouTube supports 4K, but if you want 4K, then yeah, then you can simply not stream in ultra low latency. So I don't want to do that. Let's see. Here we got another Minecraft plugin. I think Coding Cat is still setting up the server, so I'm gonna have a look at one more. Let's see if this works. Okay. This is a plugin on Spigot, guys. Don't get scared. I know you guys are scared of light mode. You're gonna get flashbang now, so keep that in mind. Okay, there we go. We're on Spigot. Simply Mines. Sky Mines, Prison Mines. Okay. Sky Mines includes Sky Mines, Simply Mines, Mines. Mines, Sky Mines, Mines, Simple Mines, Sky Mines, Mines, Prison. Prison Mines, Sky Mines. Sky Mines. Mines in the sky. Simple Mines. It's a modern, lightweight, and highly configurable Sky Mines / Prison plugin. Designed for paper. Well, why is it on Spigot then? If it's designed for paper. My man. Put it on Matrimf. Why do people still publish new plugins on Spigot? I have no clue. I don't know why this website still exists. If you want a tip, Mr. Simply Ren, move to Matrimf or Hanger. Why post something on Spigot? Spigot is dead, man. Anyway, key features, custom block support, free lag resets. Wait, lag-free resets. Oh, that makes more sense. He is Simply Ren, makes Simply Mines good for Sky Mines. Sky Mines? Prison Mines and Mines. Also normal Mines, not just Sky Mines. It's Simply Ren made Simply Mines for Sky Mines, Mines, and Prison. It's not only Sky Mines, it's Mines and Mines. With mines. You know? You get what I mean? All mines, guys. We're gonna have so much mining with this plugin. It's crazy, bro. Insanity. So many mines. So much mining. Damn. Is it mine though? It is yours. It is. It's all mining. I understand. Good, good, good. I'm glad you do. Also, what's up, Whopper Big Mac? All the mines, indeed. So what does this plugin actually do? It allows you to create mines. Okay, cool. Seemingly integrates with Mining Adder and Nexomine. Cool. Workload mine, system mine. Spreads block mine. And it auto resets mine in the mine. Mine block. It's a block. It's a mine block in Minecraft mining. Fully mine driven. Crazy. Mine message. It even supports mine message. Mine modern text format even. Crazy. Quick mine guide. Okay. Anyway. Do we want to test this one out? Simply Mine made it. Simply Mine, Sky Mine, Mines, and Prison Mine. Great name, by the way. You guys interested? We want to mine? Coding Cat. Let's mine. Let's mine, Coding Cat. Let's mine. Coding Cat here. Mine this. And the other one. Oh, I didn't send the other one. I sent in the wrong chat again. Here, mine this one too. Mine this one. But mine both, okay? Just mine both. Native version 1.21. It will probably work. Right, guys? It won't. It won't work. Let's try anyway. Okay, I think we have a bunch of plugins to check out now. I'm gonna wait for Coding Cat to install them on the server. My very kind, lovely moderator. Coding Cat, Cat Coding, Coding Mine Code. Code Mine! Mine Cat. Coding Mine Cat. Cat Mine Code. Code Cat Mine Cat. Cat Coding Mine. Mine. Sky Mine. Coding Sky Mine. Cat Sky Coding Mine. Mine Cat Two more, skip that. Skip what? Mine works. Mine, yours works. I'm mine. You're also mining? Your mine is not mined, but min. Exactly, Sky Mine. Kasai Mine. Kasiminia. Oh, Minia. Coding Sky Mine Cat. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Mine message. Mine message.
Donated €2 through
Thank
Super
you
Chat.
for the €2.
Mine message.
Mine message. Not mini message, but mine message. Thank you. Thank you for the donation. Appreciate that. Cause I add like one more plugin. Do I need to check one more out? Okay, I'll check one more out. Boys, we're gonna check another out. My boss just told me that. My boss told me I need to check another one out. So, boys, let's go. Let's go. My leader. Leader Coding Cat. Mine coding. Sky Mine. Sky Cat Mine coding. Coding leader. Overlord. Okay. Map image. Wait. Don't we have map image installed? I'm not yours though. I bought myself out. Ah, damn, you're right. Ah, he bought himself. Damn it. Don't we have this one installed on the server? Cat's Coding Sky Mine? Or is this another one? Is this an alternative to the one that we have? Because we have a plugin that allows you to do something like this. 3 picture. Oh. Oh, it's 3. I read 3. 3. No, there will be image frame. Mine sky frame image. Mine sky frame image mine. Sky mine. Okay, let's install mine sky map image sky. Sure. By the way, Sora means sky. Just so you guys know. Just wanted to point that out to level up this meme. Let's see. Here, install that one too. Okay, now we have enough. Now we have enough. We have enough plugins. Let's wait for Sky coding, Catmine coding, Sky to install them all, and then you know, Sora mine. Yes, sir. Whopper Big Mac 12, my man. My man. Sora means sky. Okay. Okay. Sora. Kasai Sora. That's me. It's my name. That's my name on YouTube. Mini message? Yes, mine message. Sky mine. Sora coding sky mine message Sora. Why say mine sorry? Okay. Yes. Thank you, Dippy Coder. Thank you. We understand each other. Unlike you have trouble. You have sky trouble. Sky mine trouble. Trouble in the sky. Sky mine. He's not sky mining. Guys. Let's be honest. You have trouble is not sky mining. He is not mining in the sky. He is trouble. Sky trouble. Mine trouble. Sky. Yes. You mine trouble. That's a funny name. That's a funny name. Okay, we're on, boys. Let's see what we just installed. A bunch of plugins. Where am I even? Landmine skying. Oh, yes, sir. Where are we? The chosen one, 64. How dare you? Goodbye. Have a good life. At least keep inventory is on. I'm gonna bully you too. I'm sorry. Have a good day. So what have we got here? We got, oh yeah, curious paper. There was a dependency. Item edits. So item edit allows us to edit an item. Is that it? I feel like we've checked out item edit before. There's like 5,000 geyser warnings. Oh, I'm sure it's fine. It's probably nothing. Did we even install Sky Mine Sky? Simply Mine! Simply Sky Mine! Sky Mine! Not a normal mine, but a Sky Mine. Okay. So, item, edit, amount. What are these numbers? 127, please. Oh no! Oh no, I freaked it up! Why am I kicked now? Bro! What happens? I just wanted 127. What do you mean? Oh. It is so immensely unfortunate. I'm so sad. Okay, well, let's join again. There we go. Plugin is outdated. Protocol doesn't allow above 99 now. Oh. Really? Ah. Don't have an item in my hand. I really want to. Yeah, I should probably remove. This is an amount. This is an amount! I want this amount! Oh. Ah! Okay. It worked for a little! I thought it would work. I could at least move. But okay, 99 is the max. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll get 99 then. I'll get 99 of them. It worked for a little bit. You saw that? Alright, let's grab Bat Spawn Axe. And then we do 99. There we go. Okay, that works. Yep. We got 99 Bat Spawn Axe. Stream lag, LMAO. For me, it seems totally fine still. And YouTube and Twitch are not complaining either. So I do think it is your internet, unfortunately. Does seem like it is. How many times you need to get cape? I don't know. Do we need to get cape? I don't need cape. Only when you reload your game. Oh, really? Well, I don't think that's stream lag. I think that's just literally game lag that you're experiencing. Okay. So, what else can we do with this? Can we do item edits? Attribute add armor. No. Add gravity? What do you mean operation? Hello? I don't know what operation is. It doesn't autofill operation. I know what to put in there. Okay, this is probably a really cool plugin. Item edits. Oh, you can edit compasses too. Oh, you can clear a compass. Oh. Interesting. It's standard attribute thing. Oh, okay. Well, in that case, let's try again. Attribute, add. And then we do... attack damage, add. Add number. Oh, wait, what? Feed. Okay, this is not going well. Add the number 10? No. It wants add attribute amount. So here he wants me to fill an amount 10. Oh, huh? Plus 10 attack damage. Oh! Coding cat. Okay, it worked. It worked. It wants a different format. Got it. TP at a Kasasora. Hello, gang. How you doing? Bloop. Bloop. Hello. 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 So what is the max I can... Plus 100. Woo! Oh, that works so well. That works so well. Bye guys, I'm leaving. See you next stream. See you next stream, Speedy Falcon. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, look at that. Oh no. Oh, the server lagged for a bit. The server lagged for a bit. That's bad. That's bad. Make it 6767. Oh, 6767. Okay. Oh no. I think we went over the max. We went over the max. That's bad. Now it just doesn't do anything anymore. Okay, can we also remove? Remove? Okay. And then add 6-7. Yes! The most cursed block of wool. Does it even do anything? Hello? Doesn't seem to work. I mean, to be fair, it is 6-7 damage, so it shouldn't work. It refuses to work. It has 6-7, but it doesn't work at all. That's interesting. You know about the new exploit of the Lightmedica mod? Hope you will make a video. It's pretty old news. I don't think I'm gonna make a video about it. It's not a new exploit. It happened a couple weeks ago, and I think it has been fixed by now. I'm not certain, though. You have trouble? Thank you for the 6-7 jewels. Do you guys know anything about the Lightmedica situation and if it has been solved already? I'm pretty sure it is solved, right? Or not? It has been fixed. Yeah, right. Yeah. So, like, it's really old news. I'm not gonna make a video about it. I know that what's he called again? The Mr. Epic made a video about it. And that's brought a lot of new attention on the situation. But even when he made the video, I'm pretty sure it had already been fixed. So, like, yeah, it doesn't really make sense to me. I discovered the situation pretty late, but it has been fixed for a long time. So, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make a video on it anymore. Oh, thank you for the stack. Appreciate that. Oh, you're in creative. Okay. Ow! Oh, I'm in creative too. Never mind. Yeah, so it's fixed. It's something that is still very popular. A lot of peeps are talking about it, and it's something that is very lively. Also, why am I so short? What? Why am I so tall? Why are you so tall? But yeah, it has been fixed. So I'm not gonna make a video about it because it will only give more stress to people that, you know, it has been solved. It has been solved. It's not a problem anymore. I've not watched the video from the Mr. Epic, but I'm pretty sure he released it after it had already been solved. So it was kind of an unnecessary video in that sense, but I guess he just, but I guess he just wanted to make a video on the subject. But yeah, it's not an issue anymore. You should do this with resource pack. I think that is what Coding Cat is currently doing. I think he's now setting up the resource pack. If I am not mistaken. He is currently doing that. Yes, indeed. Well, there you go. There you go. Setting up a resource pack. A resource pack for Minecraft. Minecraft, so we can all play together on the Minecraft server. You know? You know that NBT flagged lists my server is around 10.4 megabytes? Oh. That sounds interesting. Minecraft. Okay. There we go. We're back on. I think that is the resource pack loading. Okay, so there was the item thingy mods. Let's see, plugins. We got probably backpacks. BP. Okay, BP. Kasasura. No backpack is found. Yes, give me then. Give me one. Give Kasasura. No backpack is found. Give me a backpack then! Okay, so what's the crafting recipe for our backpack? Stream chat. I'm reading stream chat. There's nothing interesting in the stream chat. I don't see anything interesting in the stream chat right now. I'm reading other people's messages. 2 important things about the backpack plugin, by the way. To open Curious menu, select slot 8, then double tap shift. Wait, slot 8? Oh. Okay. So that's the menu. And this is where we need to put our backpack in. Okay, so how do we get the backpack then? / game mode creative. That's not gonna give me the backpack. Someone really named our account to Nefox? Really? Curious list. Ooh, okay, here we got a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Netherite backpack. Here we got a pickup upgrade, an anvil upgrade, smoker upgrade, crafting station, feeding upgrades, magnet upgrades. Lots of upgrades. There's also diamonds backpack, leather backpack, copper backpack, gold backpack, iron. I guess an random elytra for whatever reason. Okay, so I guess the first backpack you will get is the leather one. So let's just click on the leather backpack. Oh, this is the recipe. Can I get it? Or do I actually need to craft it? I think I need to craft it. Admin. Oh, there it is. Okay, we got the backpack looking great. And then we need to put it in here. Wow! Look at me with my backpack. That's pretty cool. Okay, okay, okay. That is nice. That is very nice. And now, how do we use the backpack? Shift, right click to equip. Okay. But how do we open it up? How do we open the menu? That's the only thing I need to know now. If the developer's here, how do we open the menu? Is it paper or fabric? This is paper. It's a paper plugin. I think they didn't test it with capes. Well, it's kind of inevitable that capes will always just glitch through everything else. Slot 9 and double shift. Oh, okay. Dye backpack upgrades. So here we can put upgrades in here. And then we can also dye it different colors. Swap a water bucket to remove the dye. Interesting. So I can put 6, 7 brat inside. And there we go then. Hello, food. Oh, no, you don't need food. Bad, bad. Food is not required. Okay. Okay, that works pretty well. So we can just grab and please give us food. No, you don't need food. So we can just get random items and then we can, in this slot, double shift. And then there we go. And then double shift here to, oh, that is kind of nice. I like that. I like that a lot. That's a cool system. That is a very, very cool system. It removed 3 bread. It did? Oh no, it didn't. Visually, yes. In reality, no. Interesting. Don't know how that will work, but okay. It's a very polished plugin overall, though. I do like it. Yeah. Oh, there's my backpack. Look, you can see it. When I rotate quickly. You can see it. Nice. Because of the 99 limitation. It has to do it that way. Oh, yes. That does make sense. You have trouble. That does make sense. That does make sense. Okay. Okay, so let's immediately just try the best of the best. Right, let's go and check out the netherite one. Off and on. There we go. 3 pages. Wow. Can I put a backpack in a backpack? Come on, I want to do this. I want to do this. You cannot put a backpack inside a backpack, but I want to. Allow me to. Infinite. Infinite. Okay, nice. I like this backpack plugin. This is really cool. Bread. Okay, be gone, bread. I'll put it in the backpack. I'll put it in. There we go. This is pretty cool. I like this. This is a cool plugin. This one is way more polished than the first one we had a look at. This one actually does seem really solid. And it didn't seem AI generated. No. Stop. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Okay. And what other plugins do we have installed here? What other plugins do we have on? We have... Oh yeah, map image. How does map image work? Coding Cat, can you give me a nice preview? A nice showcase of map image. Can you show what it's about? I would love to see. I would love to see. I think you can just add images to the game, but show me what you got. Show me a fun picture. 1 second, no problem. No problem whatsoever. Can you check fake mob blocks or mod blocks? If you want to submit a plugin, you need to do so over on my Discord. That's the place to be. That's the place to be. Wait, I need to quickly send a message. Alright. Alright. Let's wait for the little showcase that CodingCat is setting up. And did we have any other plugin installed? Let's see, probably Backpack. Oh yeah, that's Simply Mine Sky Mine. Sky Mine. Oh, we need to definitely check out Sky Mine. Simply Mine. Create. Subcommands, create. Yes, I know. That's why I typed it in. That's why I typed it in, man. Okay, we'll check that out in a bit. Okay. Hello. Hi. Oh, what did you do? Oh. Okay, I have a single one. Okay, you just made memes. Which one do you have? You want to trade? I have the Bye Bye TNT Kasai. Which one do you have, my man? Or is the same one? I've seen a single one so far. You got more? And is that what you can do? Can you also like place them in the world or not? Is there something you can place in the world? Ooh, okay. Wait, what? What are those? Why? Is it a HDMI cable? I think that's an HDMI cable. And then we got, oh yeah, of course. Yep, that's the new Silver Cube. Looks great. And then we, oh yeah, of course, John Fish is here. And then we got Big Brain Kasai, of course. Yup. And then, okay, yeah, that's great. Can we place it somewhere? Can we only place it in like an item frame? Think so. Oh yeah, we totally can look at that. Oh, I've been okay. Yeah, I'm here. Don't worry. Stop teleporting. Okay, show. Wait, there we go. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. Nice. Look at that. Yes, please go away. Please go away. Ah, look at that. That looks incredible. No. Stop. There we go. Nice. That looks nice. What do you guys think? You guys love it? You guys absolutely love it? Take a closer look at the cable. Well, there are not a lot of pixels that I can see. I'm not able to read anything. It just looks like a USB cable. I know what that is. I know what that plug is though. What's that? I know what I know what that is. That's a USB cable. That's an HDMI. I mean, that's HDMI. I know what that is. I have no clue. 10 out of 10. I agree. It looks beautiful. HDMI to garden hose connector. Is that a garden hose connector? That is a garden hose connector. Why is it a garden hose connector? What would you want to link up to your... Okay, well, never mind. Somebody has some use case for it, I'm sure. It's definitely not a meme. It's an actual... It should be an actual product. Of course. What are cooled PC? Duh. Of course, Whopper. Of course, you were completely right. Yep. Totally right. Exactly. Okay, cool. Well, then I think... Oh, no. The Simply Mine one. Coding Cats, can you set up a Simply Mine? Simply Sky Mine? Mine? Simply Mine? Mine Sky? Sky Mine? Sky Mine? Simply Mine? Can you mine the Sky Mine? Simply Mine? In the Sky Mine? Mine Sky? I'll Simply Mine set up Mine Sky. Simply. Simply! Yes. Simply Mine Simply. Sky Simply. I'm Studios Dev. Bye. See you later. Thank you for tuning in today. Appreciate it. Vinny EU, how you doing? Welcome. Simply Mine Simply. Let's go. Let's go, my man. Yes, sir. He's having a good day. Hello. What's that? What did you make? Oh, Big Brain Kazai. I used the HDMI to host connector to turn the video feed into Liquid. Exactly. Like you should. Liquid video is the future, guys. Liquid video is the future of gaming. Absolutely. The next PlayStation 6 is also gonna have Liquid host connector. For those who didn't know. this is really gonna happen. Thank you for the 2 jewels. The best, Harrison. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. Thank you. Alrighty then. What happens if I drink Liquid video? Ooh, good question. What does happen when you drink Liquid video? I don't think it's good for you. It doesn't sound healthy. Honestly. Doesn't sound that healthy, but, you know. Consuming content will have a different meaning if liquefied. Imagine Liquid YouTube videos. I mean, PlayStation 6 is gonna have a Liquid connector, so, you know, HDMI to garden hose. And then, you know, YouTube will soon also start supporting that. And then we can watch Liquid content and consume Liquid content, which is gonna, you know, it's gonna be crazy, guys. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a whole thing. Trust me. I think your videos are healthy. Maybe. I doubt it. Who knows? Do you think these live streams are healthy for you? I would like to argue. It's up to... It's debatable. It's debatable. Remy! Remy is infinite 6-7, Brad. Damn, he is so much. I love seeing myself in the chat. Nice, Vinny. How you doing, man? Oh, is this the mine? Simply Mine? Simply? Wow, he set up Simply Mine. With stairs! Oh, that's so cool. Try Simply Mine. And then, can I simply mine the Simply? Simply mine... And then, tool? Disable tool. Enable tool. I don't know what tool is. Except they changed the name. Waxed, light, weathered, cut, copper stairs. Did they change the name? Waxed, weathered, cut, copper stairs. Is it different? Is it lightly? Did they remove lightly? You're a tool. Oh, thank you. You have trouble. Very kind. Just do simply mine. Simply mine. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Oh, can we change the blocks? We can. So I can add 10%. Okay, more gold. And then there we go. Wow, 40%. Will there now be more stairs? There are more stairs. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. That is pretty cool. World info. Mine enabled. True. Warn global. What does that mean? I know what warn global does. Maybe when it gets reset or something, then it warns globally. Coding Cat, don't send me that cursed image in DMs. Why are you sending the garden hose connector USB cable thingy in? Don't do that. Also, they have a world edit like selector. Grab a wooden hose, select a region, and then do /simply mine move. Oh, really? Simply mine. Okay, you first have to wooden hoe. Okay, so I can just do. And then need to select the other corner. There we go, I guess. No. Do I first need to select it? Move, yes. Mine, yes, has been moved. Oh, is it here now? Fly, yo, 5. Thank you for the 2 jewels. Okay, I don't think this is doing a whole lot. Because we select it. Select the region again. I did. And then... Hello? Select the whole thing. I don't know. It doesn't cool system if it works. Like I select both corners, like corner 1 and then corner 2. So it has been selected and then we go here. Move. Nope. Also, hi Vinny, how you doing? Cool system if it would work. But you only select the new region. Really? So I can do this. And then this. And then... Oh! Ah! Okay, got it. Yep, that works. And then this one will stop to exist, I guess? Oh, hello, what are you doing? Oh, that is interesting. Well, now we should make the server lag, because that's funny. That is funny. Yeah! It's alive! It's alive! Oh, actually, that is a pretty great lag-free way of doing it. You know what? Yeah, you got me there. That works. That works totally fine. That's actually a really great asynchronous way of doing it. Okay, well. Yeah. That's fine. Satisfying. It is kind of satisfying. It is kind of satisfying. Nice. I like this. This is cool. What plugin is this? This is Simply Mine. Mine Simply Mine Simple. Sky Mine. Sky Mine Simple Mine Sky. Mine Simple Mine. Wow. Simply Mine. Yeah, this is Simply Mine Sky. Simply Mine Simply. This is the one, man. Simply Mine Sky. Sky Mine. Sky Simply Mine. Mine Sky. Mine thingy. Yes, sir. Mines of the mine of where miners can be mining. The mining materials mining where mines can be mined. And the mines of the mine is mining where 26.1.2 can mine in the mining. I do agree. Exactly. You understand, my man. You understand. Oh, it's already reloading. It's already reloading. Guys, you're not quick enough. Mine simply square... What? Square mine simply... Simply mine? Random Chats, thank you so much for the gifted membership on YouTube. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Random Chat, for the gifted membership on the YouTubes. That is very, very kind. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Mine asynchronous mind simply. Mine simply. Simply mine. Hey, hey. Simply Mine. I like this one. Simply Mine, Sky Simply Mine is cool. It's a cool plugin. It works really well, actually. It worked way better than I thought it would. I don't know why it's on Spigot. The best Harrison. Thank you so much for the 2 jewels. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for the jewels. Thank you for the gems. It's basically a gem, right? I don't know why they call it jewel. And then it turns into a ruby. What do you mean? Just call it jewels, YouTube. Or gems or whatever. I don't know. Anyway. Cool. That works. What other plugin do we have installed right now? I don't think we have them anymore. Curious. Floodgates. Guys, oh, Simply Mine, Sky, Simple Mine, Async Mine, Simply Mine, Sky Mine, hey, hey, Mine Simply Mine, Sky Simply Mine, Mine Simply Mine, Sky Simply Mine, Sky Mine, Mine Sky, Simply Prison. Oh, Prison, also a prison, guys. There was also prison in there. It's true. It's true. It does mining the miners, Sky Mine, Sky, Mine Simply Mine, Simple Mine, Sky, Mine Simply? That's a good question, actually. I'm not sure about that one, but I will ask the developer and see what I can do for you. Alright, cool. We're gonna check out more plugins. We've checked all of the plugins out, I'm pretty sure, that are installed on this server. Yep, we did. Okay. Guys. It is time for more plugins. It is time for another batch. I will be going for around 3 hours, so that's about 25 more minutes. So I think we can do one more batch, but maybe we're able to squeeze in another one if I keep going for like a few more minutes. So let's see. Let's check out a couple more plugins at least, because you know we shoot, and that's always fun. Also, my YouTube dashboard is still not loading. Still not loading. Interesting. Okay. Let's go and check it out. The next plugin that we're gonna be checking out today is none other than Liars Lounge. Deceive? Deceive! Damn, Deceive. Ha. Deceive friends, expose liars, and survive the ultimate mind game in Minecraft. Okay. Bluff, betray, and survive. A Liar's Lounge. Liar's Lounge. A Liar's Lounge, okay? Liar's Lounge. Step into the ultimate game of bluffing, betrayal, and survival right inside of Minecraft. Inspired by the popular Steam game Liar's Bar, Liar's Lounge brings deception, strategy, and chaos to your server. Gather around the lounge table, play your cards, and try not to lose your head. Literally. Okay. Cool. Well, should we try it out? You guys wanna try? Is this gambling? It could be gambling. I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. It's a deceptive thing. Coding Cat, this looks like our table. You remember this table? You know what I'm talking about. Doesn't it look like our table? You know the table? The thing is, Coding Cat probably knows what I mean. Look at the table. Look. Table. Look. The table. You don't remember the table? This time I'm confused. No, the table, man. You don't remember the table? Don Planto, you surely remember the table. I think Don Planto will remember it. Don Planto will understand what I'm talking about. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. Okay, should we try this one? Probably. We probably should try it, because it could be fun. So let me... You mean the nuclear table? Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. I'll send it in this chat. Yeah, that's the correct one. There we go. That's one of the plugins we're gonna test out. Or, well, just install it and we'll see if it's doable. The next one we're gonna be checking out is... Oh, the server is out. Okay, don't install it yet. Okay, you can install it, but... There we go. Craft Guards. Craft Guards.
At Hey donated €2 through Super Chat. Simply mine sky, simple mine, async mine, simply.
Exactly. You speak my language, my man. Hey. You exactly understand what I'm talking about. That's what I've been trying to say this entire stream. And all of the others, they just don't understand. But indeed, simply mine sky, simply mine, async mine, simply. Exactly, sky mine. Yes, this person understands. Minecraft has run out of memory. I mean, wait, my Minecraft? Okay, your Minecraft. Not my Minecraft. I am totally fine. Sky simply, mine simply. Okay, let's see. Anyway, Craft Guard. Craft Guard is a lightweight, highly configurable Minecraft plugin for managing restrictions for workstations on a per world basis. Oh. Craft Guard. Mine simply guards mine. Mine. Sky mine. What is Sky Mine? Sky Mine is a server plugin provided control over interactions, crafting simply mine. Per world control. Asynchronous, modern and fresh. Wow, it's so fresh. This is gonna be such a fresh plugin. Did you just say Sky Mine? I did indeed, yes. Only real ones understand Sky simply mine. Modern and fresh. Guys, this is gonna be so fresh. This plugin is so fresh. Like, damn, look at how fresh this is. That's so fresh. Craft. Sky simply craft. Anvil craft. Okay, yeah, we can test this one out as well. Plugin fresh out of the compiler. Exactly. Yeah, let's try it out. Why not? Why not at this point, you know? Why not try it out? I'll hop it over to cat coding. Coding Sky Mine coding Sky Mine. I've Sky Mined it over to coding cat. If you know what I mean. Okay, next one. Let's see what we got here. It is the one and only. Is this a mod? It's not a mod. Okay, well. I love the profile picture of this one. My boys. Ray Trace Anti-Entity ESP. RTAEE for short, if you know what I mean. Can you mine a... Wait, what? No, stop. Bad. Looks like something I'd make. What? Make what? Sky mine? You're gonna make a Sky mine as well? Anyway, Ray Trace Anti-Entity... something. The icon. Isn't it beautiful? Guys, look at this art. Before and after. Happy? Wait. Before and after. Okay, wait. Look at the before after. So before you start using this plugin, you're happy. And you're having a good time in life. And then you install Ray Trace Anti-Entity ESP, RTAEE for short, and you become sad. Your life is over and nothing is fun anymore. Everything has been ruined. Okay. So... Oh, this is the X-Rayer. Wait, this is another X-Ray plugin without X-Ray. That is indeed what Minecraft looks like without X-Ray. With X-Ray. Successful X-Ray. Okay. So this is just another anti-X-Ray plugin? Is that what am I understanding it correctly? Just another anti-X-ray plugin at this point.
At Relmazurex donated £2 through Super Chat. Kasai, I modded my guitar. I'll send in legend chat.
Oh, cool. You've modded your guitar? What did you do? What did you add? Yeah, send it in the legend chat. I'm very curious to see. I'll check it out after stream. Read the description. Prevents players from seeing entities through walls. Okay, but items are not entities. Or items are not entities, my head. Is this cool? Do we like this? I don't know. Thank you for the 2 pounds, by the way, Maz, my man. And also, thank you for the 2 euros. Appreciate it. Items are no entities, because I don't know why I said that. What I wanted to say is ores are not entities. But yeah, it is not an anti-X-ray mod. It's something else. Is it cool? Do we want to check it out? I don't think it supports 26.1.2, but you know, we can, I'll just send it over, Coding Cat. I'll send it over to you and you can decide if we're gonna install it, yes or no, and if it even works. There we go. There we go. It only stops players seeing other mobs / players as drops items behind walls, which they can't directly see. It isn't an anti-X-ray directly. It's more of an anti-X-ray, but for players seeing players. Oh, so maybe Wampus, maybe this would make sense if you add it alongside an anti-X-ray mod, or a plugin, I mean, or would that completely break it? What if you install an anti-X-ray plugin, or if you use Paper's built-in anti-X-ray, and you then install this one on top of that? Will that break everything? I guess this is good for like PvP servers, maybe. I'm not sure if that's even possible. Okay, well, let's check out, or let's draw one more plugin before we're gonna install everything. No, we won't? Okay. Paper's anti-X-ray actually includes entities. Nah, it doesn't. It doesn't indeed. It indeed does not. No, you're completely right. You're right. Seems like I have a cursor on YouTube, but you can't see my messages. I am seeing your message, though. I'm seeing it. Okay. The next plugin that we're gonna check out before we're gonna start installing stuff is this one. Vertica, a fully customizable Essentials X alternative, which is no longer up to date. It was published last week, but it's not up to date. It's not on 26.1.2 or 26.2, which is the most recent version of the game. So I know how that will work. Interesting. I got banned from your server. Can you unban me? Well, if you were banned, you probably had a reason why you got banned. My mods probably banned you for something you did, so probably not. Check the super chat goal. Damn! Wait! Did we almost... And the member goal? I didn't even realize. The member goal is 50 out of 50 for July, and the super goal is almost at 100 euros. What the hell? You guys, thank you so much. Damn, the support has been crazy today. Absolutely crazy. Thank you so incredibly much, guys. We're almost at 100 euros. I did not see that coming at all. I told you. Oh, I didn't see. That's crazy. Damn, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Look at the super goal. And the member goal has also been hit. Wow. Thank you guys so incredibly much. That is legendary. That is absolutely legendary. Okay, cool. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, Veronica, I guess we could check if it works. Let's check it out. Why not? Let's see if we can get it working. So I'll also hop this one to the cats decoding, the one and only Sky Battle, Sky Island. Sky Island Cat. Guys, everybody call him Sky Island Cat from now on. Sky Mine Cat. Do Sky Mine Cat. Sky Mine Cat. And like one more plugin. You want me to do another one? Okay, well, before I do that, I have to do something very important. Sky Mine Cat. Sky Mine Cat. No, it's Sky Mine, guys. I said Sky Island, but I was joking. I was obviously making a joke. And it was not real. Coding cats. There we go. And then we do Sky Mine Cats. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Anyway, let me do one more then. If we do one more, I'm pretty sure we will have 5, which is more than enough. Oh, this is an interesting one. I don't think it will be interesting to have a look at, but we can at least check out the page. It's a schematic importer. Look at that. Schematic importer. Import a schematic from a download URL into World Edit folder. Wait, what? Oh, so it is a plugin. I haven't seen your content in so long, 2024. Feels great to be back. Yo, welcome back, Reguy. Good to have you here. Also, thank you so much for tuning into the channel again. It has been a while. Great to see you. Schematic importer. So this is basically kind of an add-on, I guess, to World Edit or a fast async World Edit. Asynchronous. Async World Edit. So that you can import schematics through a simple download instead of having to actually, like, drag it into the folder manually, I guess. Imagine this has the same bug as, like, Medica on the server side. Oh, imagine. Imagine. That would be funny, though. Well, funny. I don't think funny is the best way to describe it, but... Okay. Sky Mine Cat. Sky Mine Cat. Mine Sky. Schematic importer, yeah. So, is this cool? We want to check this one out? I don't know if we have any schematic link or whatsoever. I guess we could do this one, but it's a very simple checkout, honestly. I can send it, but I'm not sure if we're gonna use this one. I can also do another one. We could maybe draw one more. Let me... Oh, it doesn't change. Wait, let me do this again. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And then we do this. Let's see if it works. Okay, this is quite a popular plugin. This is quite a popular one. It's called Eternal Combat, and it has 23k downloads. Something more than just combat logging for Minecraft. Oh, it's like a combat logging plugin? Something more than just combat logging. Okay, well, tell me what it does then. Requires packet events to work. Well, we probably still have that one installed. Has a tested on Minecraft version. Okay, but okay. What does it do? Tell me about the plugin. Yes, okay, but the combat log. Okay. Customizable combat experience. Add custom effects to players in combat or death. Customizable and user-friendly. Spawn protection. Configurable. Crystal PvP support. Engage in intense PvP, Crystal PvP, Mine Sky Island battle without worrying about players logging out mid-fight. Okay. Fully customizable combat. There's a lot of customizable. This is configurable, this is customizable, and this is also customizable. Customizable... Okay. Why? There's a customizable combat experience. There's also a fully customizable combat. It's the same thing, but described in a different way. Yeah, sure. Let's pop this one on as well. Then we have 6 plugins that we're checking out. I think that's more than enough for now. So I'm gonna Sky Island this one to Sky Island Cat. Sky Mine, I mean. Sky Mine. Island Sky Mine. Sky Island. I mined for 3. You mined! Did you mine? Did you Sky Mine though? Is the real question, Hitman. Did you Sky Mine or did you just mine? Got 9 to
Adrel Mazurex donated £2 through Super Chat.
Yo!
My parents are on vacay and I'm spending food money.
Nice! That sounds amazing. Oh, is that how you modded your guitar? Or did you... Wait. Don't tell me you spent all your food money on modding your guitar and now you don't have any food money anymore. That would be such a thing that you would do. I'm just checking in if you're okay, my man. I'm just checking in. Yesn't. Okay. You still have your own money, but you don't have your parents' money anymore. How long will they be on vacation for? Oh, that is so mess. A week. Oh, that's nice though. House party, yay! Yeah, I'll fly to the UK. I'm coming to find you, Mass. Coming to find you. Appreciate the £5, man. Really, really do. Really, really do.
And Aircraft Optical donated $2 through Super Chat. Switch to Linux now.
Miracraft official. Thank you for the $2. Switch to Linux now. Unfortunately, I cannot. I have still software that I use on my Windows PC, like StreamerBot and Photoshop, which doesn't really run on Linux. Not without a translation layer, at least. And I'm not like. It's not just a convenient thing. I need a well-operated system. Dual boot. I could. But I need a well-operated system for all of this YouTube stuff. Use Wine. Yeah, but no. Yes, but no. So the thing is with a dual boot system that I don't really see a need of that, because then I would have to boot Windows every single time I need a Windows program. And I need Windows programs a lot. To do live streaming, to do like photo editing. Who needs Photoshop if you have GIMP? I'm just really used to Photoshop. That's mostly it. All my presets are on Photoshop. I have so much stuff going on over at Windows that's right now, for content creation purposes, I can simply not switch. If eventually YouTube would, Adobe would start supporting Adobe would start supporting Linux, and if StreamerBot would do the same thing, then I can have a look at switching. But dual booting just doesn't make a lot of sense to me, because I need Windows for content creation, but I'm basically content creating the entire day. So that is the main reason why I'm not switching yet. But what distro would you use? So I've tried one before. Cinnamon. I forgot the rest of the name. Cinnamon is the version I tried. It was nice, but I could just not get things running and things would just not work the way I wanted it to. Also, sometimes people have lots of issues with OBS and getting it running on Linux correctly. Overall, I really like Linux. I would like to switch, but there are too many things which would make my content creation experience too buggy. Like, everything on Windows currently just works, even though I hate Windows. I hate it. Everything does just work for me. Linux Mint, yeah, that's the one. NetSoda. It does just work for me. Even though I hate it, it does just work for me. And if I would now switch to Linux, then I would have to switch a bunch of programs, and I would also have to start using a bunch of compatibility layers, which right now is just not worth it for me, because I'm only gonna make my content creation stuff harder for myself if I do that. So it's only gonna become harder for everything I want to do with the operating system. So that's why it's not worth it for me right now. But as soon as they as soon as Linux becomes even more compatible, or as soon as all the programs that I use are available for Linux, I will give it another shot. And maybe if I get a new PC, if I actually buy a new one, which is something that is bound to happen sometime soon, then I will likely turn off, or I will likely turn this PC, I will let it fully boot Linux, and then my new main PC will run Windows, and then I can kind of dual boot that way by having 2 PCs, and then I can, you know, try out the operating system like that. But yeah, that's the main reason. That's the main reason. Windows rage baited me to Linux and I removed it completely too. And things on Linux made me regret my choice. Maybe not regret my choice. Well, Linux is great. It's an awesome operating system. It makes games run better, and it just overall is a nicer and more customizable experience. That is not the problem to me. That is absolutely not the problem. I love all of that stuff. That is great. My problem is just the compatibility. That 99% of things still get made with Windows in mind. And yeah, for Linux livestream, well, no. No. But yeah, that's the main reason why I've not switched yet, basically. DaVinci Resolve works. That's true, but something which, for example, doesn't work well is Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I know that's a very random thing, but Minecraft Bedrock Edition, there are ways to make it run in theory on Linux, I know, by like emulating the Android version, but I need the Windows version of Bedrock Edition for certain videos as well. And you know, that, yeah, they're just small things everywhere that kind of keep me from switching. It's small stuff like that, where from a content creator perspective, it just doesn't make a lot of sense for me. Bedrock really doesn't work. Well, that's another reason. And I know I'm mostly a Java YouTuber, but once in a while, I cover Bedrock stuff. And as a Minecraft YouTuber, I need access to Bedrock Edition when I need it. You know, so there are content creation reasons that I'm still on Windows. If I would just be a gamer, or if I would just do some coding, then I would be at Linux. Like, I would have switched years ago, probably. I would have switched years ago. Alright, we need to check out plugins, because I do need to go in a little bit. Unfortunately, I do need to edit a video that I want to finish and upload tomorrow. So we have about 6 plugins that are currently installed. Let's go and check all of them out. Let's do it, otherwise it's gonna take too long. So let's go. What do we have? We got Craftguard. Oh yeah. Craftguard. Still waiting for the audio clip. I will get it to you around midnight, probably. Craftguard. So what does Craftguard do? Craftguard. Worlds. Okay, just put any item here. Oh, oops. Can you just put any item here? Chests. On. Craftguard has been enabled in the worlds. This doesn't mean we can now no longer craft a chest. Is that what it does? Lang. Let's see. Let's see. That's not what it means. Okay, what does Craftguard do then? Craftguard. Or does it just not allow you to place a chest? Turn lockdown mode off. I don't know what lockdown mode is. Which plugin adds lockdown mode? Which plugin does that? Which of all the ones we just installed adds lockdown mode? Craftguard? GUI management, direct control, reload config, show help, export data, import data, migrate data. Oh, okay. Workstations, manage crafting and... Oh, so you can just... I can just turn off a crafting table. Or I can turn off an anvil. Is that it? I think that's it. So now crafting tables are turned off. So you guys can no longer use a crafting table. Is that it? The up Kasaisora. Yes, access denied. Crafting is disabled. Oh, that's what it does. Okay. Okay, that's fair. That is fair. Let's OP myself again. Interesting. Well, that's fun. Right? Craft cards. Lockdown? How do we toggle the lockdown modes? Worlds? On? Can you guys not do anything in the world now? I don't know how I did that. No? Okay, I have no clue how I did that. Worlds, toggle. Worlds, chests. Toggle. Lockdown. Deactivated. There we go. Can you guys now build again? Did we fix it? I think we fixed it. Yes, we did. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's the what's it called? CraftGuard plugin. Seems pretty solid. Seems pretty solid if, yeah. Just seems solid. Seems okay, I would say. Seems very okay. You can just disable certain things. Bye. See you later. Yeah, I think a bunch of people want to go because of the football match, which is happening like now. The semi-finals. Press for Skymine, mine acing, Skymine, simply mine. Wow, Skymine! Ah! No! Skymine, simply mine! I fell. Oh, okay, we can do it again. Skymine! Simply mine! Simply Skymine! Oh, I broke it. Whoa, there's so many! Asynchronous mine, sky fast... What? Sky smarter miner! Sky mine! Okay, I didn't even know what's happening anymore. My brain is cooked! My brain is completely cooked. Okay, we need to check our plugins. We're not gonna get through this batch. Who made that? Konigan, did you make that? Konigan made it, I'm sure. Konigan made it. Oh, man. Okay, Anyway. PL, no! I want to see the plugins. Possibly. Liar's Lounge. Oh, we have so many installed now. Ray Trace Anti-Entity ESP. Okay. TP at a... Guys, hello. Don't die. So, does the anti-X-ray system work? Does anyone know if it works? Also, you are not... How dare you? How dare you fly? Goodbye. Goodbye. Don't fly. Bad. You will get banned. Big ban. Big boy ban. Test in spectator. Okay. Spectator. There we go. So what is it supposed to do? What am I not supposed to see, or what am I supposed to see? Oh. Okay, the players disappear. But at what cost? Like, look at Remy here. They're still visible. They're differently visible.
Donated €2 through Super Chat.
Yo!
Please unban.
Thank you for the €2. I appreciate it. Also, look at the super goal. We hit it. Why were you hacking then? Explain to me, why were you hacking on the server? Why were you being a hack person? Why did you hack? Why did you do hacky hack? Why did you do that to me? The name text is visible because it's done via armor stands. Yes, but doesn't it like defeat the whole purpose? Or if we don't have a plugin that has armor stand, that changes the name text to an armor stand, then it does actually disappear. I don't even know which plugin is doing that. But... oh, now it's gone. Oh, look at that. How dare you fly while he flies? Yes, but I'm in OP. I disabled the name text now. Oh, yes. Okay, that works really well. That works really well. Okay, so this is what it does. Nice. Cool. If you're far enough away, at least, Mr. Murm. There is Murm. Murm is absent. No, not absent. Present. Murm is there, and now Murm is gone. Wow, cool stuff. I want to get food. Well, I don't even... okay, I don't know. Who are you? Okay, I will unban. I will unban you. Don't fly again. If you fly again, you will get banned forever and ever and ever. You're always banned. So banned. Insanely banned, you know. True story. Anyway, that works. Also, thank you guys for the super goal. We doubled the goal, which is insane. So the ray tracing one we tested out, Craft Guard we tested out, Schematic Importer. I don't really think we can test it out that well. Can we? Is there something we can test out? Do we have World Edit installed? We do. Schematic. Loads. Okay. Okay, that works. So, we need a... yo, Noah! Thank you. Whoa! Park the bus! Damn! Thank you for the 1,000 jewels. I appreciate that. I don't know what jewels do. Enjoy the jewels. It's a brand new YouTube feature. It's about €5, I'm pretty sure. I appreciate it, Noah. Park the bus. I think it's about €5. It's $5, yeah. I think every 2 jewels is 1 cent. So I appreciate the 1,000. That's very kind. I know you get like 1,000 for free. So hey guys, if you have like jewels on your mobile phone, if you have like spare jewels and you wish to find a place to spend them, feel free to just send them to me. I'm a creator, as you probably notice. It's a brand new feature. I literally just got access to it today. Apparently. So, yeah. No worries that you didn't know. I didn't know before I started this stream either. I discovered it when I started this stream. I can give you a schematic if you want. Yeah, sure. We need a schematic because schematic importer allows you to just load a URL. So we need a URL. We need a schematic somewhere, and we need to turn it like into a download link. You have trouble. Thank you for the 2 jewels. Thank you for the 1 cent. Appreciate it. Ooh, okay. Is that the one we're gonna use? All right. So we're gonna do import. There we go. Schematic importer downloading successfully imported. Okay. 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 So now it is imported, which means that we can now do schematic loads file name. Huh. Or do we need to do double slash? Schematic list. Oh. Is that the name? Guess it doesn't exist. Okay, does no exist? No. No, does not exist, no. Okay. It doesn't seem to load. We did import it. But for whatever reason, we're not able to place it. Missing position for entity Minecraft chicken. What do you mean missing position for entity Minecraft chicken? What do you mean missing entity Minecraft chicken? What? What do you mean? Yo, thank you for the 2 jewels, CDS. Appreciate it. Very kind, very kind. Appreciate the 1 cent donation. You guys can now just donate a single cent. We were not able to do that before. Thank you for the 5 cents. CDS. Appreciate the 10 jewels. It's kind. Thank you. Kasa, it's already loaded. Just paste it. I need to copy first. Load. Paste. No, it doesn't. Loading, but doesn't paste. Doesn't seem to do that. I only flight because you didn't read what I said. Oh, flight. You flew because you didn't. I didn't read what you said. Doesn't work. I mean, I can still see the entities through the walls. If I enable cheats, don't ban me again. I will not. If you don't cheat. Thank you for the 6 jewels. And thank you for the 20 jewels. Interesting. So it doesn't work for whatever reason. Even if I load the schematic. Schematic. Thank you for the 10 jewels again. Thank you again. New link. Where? Oh, that one? Should I try it? Okay. Let's try it. Import. There we go. And then schematic list. And then it is, which one is it? This one, I guess. Doesn't exist. Okay. Help then. Oh, okay. Seems to have loaded. Paste. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that is. That is great. That is amazing. That is why we had some issues. But it seems to work perfectly fine now. Okay. So you can just easily download schematics through a simple link. And after that, you can add them. Or you can load them using World Edit. Oh, chicken. Chicken. That was the one I saved locally. Why did you have this schematic saved locally? Oh, man. This is great, though. Oh, it's a chicken rain. Guys, it's chicken rain. So many chicken. So much chicken. Oh, the lag. Oh, the lag. Oh, man. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, cool. I think we've now tested out all the plugins we wanted to test. Oh, only Liar's Lounge we have left, but I don't know if there's an easy way to test that one. And after that, I do unfortunately have to go. It's been almost 3.5 hours, so that's kind of fair. And I do really need to finish something, so I'm gonna work on that. But I will do another one of these live streams because I see that there are a bunch of very cool plugins we have not tested out yet. So I will definitely do another one soon. But I don't think, can we check out the layer plugin or the liar plugin, Coding Cat, or does it take a lot of setting up? Hi, just stopping by to say hi. Hello, Tank Pillow. How you doing? You imported the wrong one. I don't think so. Try downloading one. That was the one I saved. Which one? Okay, wait. There are too many then. Schematic list. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Okay, can you send the link again? I'll try once more. Okay, there we go. Schematic. Oh no, wait. Import. And then this one. There we go. And then schematic. List. There it is. Oh, an even bigger error. Yeah. Oh, wait, it does work. Wait, it's the same one. I don't get it. You can also do import URL name. Oh, really? Oh, that makes it a lot easier. Nether on lockdown. Is the Nether on lockdown? Oh, it's the same, but you saved it on accident first. Oh, really? Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay. All right. All right. Well, I think we've tested all of them out then. At least the ones that worked. Only Liar's Lounge seems like a pretty big plugin, which we can't easily check out now. Hello. Oh, what did we do here? Oh, what is this even? Okay, what's it even about? What is it even about? Disable Nether lockdown. I didn't even enable Nether lockdown. I think CodingCat did that. Pretty sure CodingCat did that. Because I have a secret to tell you. Okay, tell me. What's the secret? What is the secret? What's the secret? Let's see. Let's see. I cannot load my YouTube dashboard, man. YouTube, fix your dashboard. Fix your dashboard. Let's see. Yeah, I can just not load my YouTube dashboard. No clue what's going on there, but that's great. All right. Well, in that case, I'm gonna be ending the stream. Guys, do thank you so much for watching the stream today. I had a really good time. We checked out plugins for about 2.5 hours, which was great. I will be doing one of these streams again, because there are so many more plugins I want to check out. There's so much more stuff I want to do. Unfortunately, I just do not have more time today. So, yeah, I can teleport everyone. TP at a... Kasesora. There we go. Hello, everyone. Oh, no. Did that crash the server? I hope not. I hope not. Okay, there we go. Hello, everyone. This is great. Thank you so incredibly much for watching, and thank you so incredibly much for all the donations. Thank you for hitting the member goal and the super goal, guys. I appreciate it. Also for all the jewels today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It was an incredible stream. I had so much fun. I would like to continue, but I do need to do some stuff. So unfortunately, I do have to end it here. I will be doing another one of these live streams probably next week, because I had a really good time and there were so many plugins submitted that we did not test out today. So I want to test out more. We had a bit of a bad start with lots of AI generated plugins, but after that we got some bangers. We saw some really cool and fun plugins. So yeah, it was a kind of a false start, but after that it just turned into something really fun. So thank you so incredibly much for watching. I'll do this again next week. Thank you so much for being here. When will the next test plugin stream be? Well, next week. Next week. I'm gonna do another one next week. It was so incredibly fun. I really enjoyed it. I've missed these streams, so I'm gonna do this again next week. Thank you guys so much. I'll be back soon. Thank you so much for all of your donations, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. It really means a lot, and it helps the channel out a crazy ton. So thank you for that. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good night. Go watch football if that is something you enjoy. The semifinals are ongoing now. And then I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye, guys. See you later. Have a good one. Bye. My head is so big. Okay. Bye, guys. I love you. See you later. Bye.